Maybe a familiar voice. Louisa! Open up, it's me, Elena!
Elena, don't move. Elena, don't move.
What's up, man?
You guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what freaking time it is today. Not fart. Oh, I gotta do the yellow text, bro. The classic yellow. Come on, bro. Get it. It just fits in with the channel, bro. Hello, everybody. My name is 3FS. And welcome to Resident Evil Village. Now, if you've been on the channel for a fat minute, ever since I started playing Resident Evil 9, I was like, man, I gotta keep playing these games. These games too gosh darn good, bro. Before you watch this video, I heavily anticipate you watch my Resident Evil 7 series, as that will give you context to what's gonna happen in this game. Now, beware, before this video starts, I don't know how on top of this series I'm going to be. As you guys said, as I said in the last video, I'm currently in the process of moving. So it may be a little minute before this game gets completed. That's okay. It may take me a little bit longer to finish this game, but let's get freaking started. Press that new game button, bro. You know me, man. I gotta do the hardest difficulty. Village of Shadows.
Long ago, a young girl went with her mother to
I gotta change those subtitles, bro. Those are big, bro. That's like half the screen.
pick berries for her father, who was hard at work. But the forest greeted them with a dark, cold silence. The bushes.
What a cinematic this is.
Yet determined to find the berries, the rascal broke free from Mother's grasp and vanished into the trees.
You don't want, you need berries
Mother's
that bad?
worried cries faded fast as the girl ran on, over vine and under branch, and into the forest.
Adventurous little gerb.
Feeling strange eyes upon her, the girl recalled Mother's scary bedtime
Is that a
tales,
berry?
and her throat became bone dry.
Oh!
Then the Bat Lord appeared. He greeted her warmly and bit his own wing. Come, child, quench your thirst, he said.
Dude's just doing
So she
stuff.
drank the
Oh.
thick, dark blood and smiled with joy.
Oh!
Passing through the
Gross.
graveyard, menacing storm clouds loomed, and the air turned bitingly cold.
Who is
The
this,
girl
bro?
was shivering in her
Spider
damp
Master.
clothes. Then a dark weaver appeared, and with a click of his fingers, crafted mist into a beautiful dress.
Oh,
Come,
that's crazy,
child,
bro.
warm yourself.
Would you give me like a pair of pants?
So she clothed herself and smiled with joy.
What a phenomenal gift that is.
Across waters
Little
deep and
fishies.
ominous she went, hoping
Oh,
a boat she
Sanaka!
found would carry
Watch
her
out.
home. But hunger's grip tightened and her heart grew heavy.
Lighten up, bro. Lighten up.
Then
Watch out.
the Fish King appeared and offered one of his many fins. Come, child.
Just loading up
eat your
snacks.
fill. So the girl ate and smiled with joy once more. Continuing
Did I
on,
press play on Resident
she soon
Evil?
entered the forest's dark
What is
heart.
this?
Then an iron steed appeared, bearing a beautiful golden gear. The
Golden
creature
gear?
said nothing as the girl approached and snatched what she thought was another gift.
She try and eat it. She tries to eat it.
The horse grew angry and summoned the other monsters.
Oh! Run away, run away!
Terror filled the girl's heart as the wild wind rose around the beasts.
Then Ethan Winters comes in. He's like,
Suddenly,
stop.
a witch
Watch, watch, watch,
appeared,
watch.
Dark, yet regal.
Oh, okay. No Ethan Winters to be found.
Gifts we gave, but more you took, she snarled. So more in turn is due. In a blink, the girl was
What was her name?
trapped inside a mirror.
What was her name? Who is that? I recognize that face.
There. She's asleep.
The classic blunder. Out she is.
What is with the creepy story? She's only 6 months old.
Oh, that was okay.
Woman at
She's
the
reading
store said it was
Witch of
traditional.
Shadows.
A local tale.
Am I playing as Ethan Winters? Big
Besides,
EW.
Rose doesn't seem to mind.
Rose.
Because she doesn't understand it. Thank God. We moved here so that she wouldn't have to deal with any of that, remember?
There's nothing wrong with my memory.
Oh. Sorry, honey.
You're just being paranoid.
Sorry,
It's
honey.
not... Never mind. I'm sorry. But I'm not paranoid. I'm just cautious.
I thought that is her, bro.
Go cautiously take your daughter to bed. I'll finish dinner.
Oh! My daughter's mad chunky. We gotta get her on the treadmill, bro. Skip photo mode.
It's okay, Rose.
Oh, she's
Your
big,
mother
bro.
doesn't want to remember it. I can't blame her.
She's gotta be at least 8 months, bro. If they say this baby's like 3 months old, ooh, put her back.
Did you say something?
Nothing. I'll put her down.
Okay, where am I taking you? Rose, where's your crib at? Rose, give me some comms. Give me some comms.
Down here,
Oh.
upstairs, down the hall to the left.
Thank you, Rose. We're playing as Ethan stinking Winters. Oh, Mia. That's her name. Gosh, man. Memory's been all over the place. I would have called her Mike or something, bro. Let's go. Oh, she probably doesn't sleep in the chair, no? What is that? Is that pickles? Bro, get those off that gosh darn table, bro. Not eating that, bro. Man, feels good to be back in some Resident Evil, man. How we doing? And I did see that they announced Resident Evil, is it Code Veronica? Is that what it was called? It was literally the next Resident Evil. I was like, whoa, they're coming a little quick. There's plot with all these Resident Evils. Oh, we're going this way, we're going this way. This dining room looks a little familiar. Nah, Ethan didn't renovate the Baker house, did he? Okay, no, yeah, this is just not that. Okay, it's awfully similar. I'll be waking up every single night sleepwalking being like, whoa, whoa, am I in the Baker household? It's okay. Daddy's got you, daddy's got you, it's okay.
They're there.
It's okay.
It's like I said to your mom. That book's too scary for
I know,
you.
bro, the memories, she's thinking about like Slender Man right now. Whatever that witch's name was. She's like, hey, hey. It's like fighting her in her sleep right now. It's gonna be alright, Rose. Alright, Rose.
Almost there, honey.
I feel like I've heard that name before in like a game where it's like a daughter. Look at her, man. Got a bowling ball on that head. Vroom, vroom. All right, come on, Rose. Goodness. Okay, it's in our room. I was like, this whole room is yours? Whoa. Dang, bro. Ethan's got a nice house. He's loaded up with snacks. Wonder what Ethan does for a living.
There you go, sweetheart. Don't you worry. I'll be right downstairs.
Yo.
Those weird fairy tale monsters get you.
Yep, turn on the baby monitor. Gosh, look at that fish she's got on too, man. The pink button up. Come on, bro. All right, before I go back downstairs, Biggie W, Ethan Winters gonna do a little rhyme to put you to sleep.
Baby, baby Rose, put some socks on your toes. You're the cutest and everybody knows. Better watch out or I'm gonna get your nose. Winters is my last name, cold as the poles.
Man, come on, man. That little angel sleeping right there. Come on, bro. Me personally, I'm moving this about 3 inches back from the window just in case an intruder. Intruder comes in. Oh, there's a baby right here. Come on, man. Back in it. Feels good. Come on, Ethan, how we feeling? See, I did, okay, while I was scrolling through the comments on my last playthrough as I normally do, somebody said that I predicted something about this game. Ethan Winters was in fact injected with the stuff that was making everybody go crazy in the Baker household. So, needless to say, I got some superpowers. Ethan Winters got some superpowers. What are we making, honey? We got matcha?
Is she okay?
No.
Sleeping like like a baby.
I'll be messing around. I'll be like, no, she's screaming away.
That smells good. What's that?
Oh, hands off, mister.
Hey.
It's churba de legume. It's a local recipe.
Whoa.
Wow, you've gone full native, haven't you?
Bilingual Mia.
Local wine, too. But if you're gonna keep sulking all evening, maybe you shouldn't have any.
This is gonna end so bad, bro. The game's opening up too
You
good.
really have to stop worrying.
About what? What am I worrying about?
It's just finding you in Louisiana, the pregnancy, Chris moving us here, military training, it all
Chris
happened
Redfield?
so fast, you know?
Well, at least we're all together.
True.
You, me, Rose. Now, everything's gonna
Seriously, think we can just forget about what happened in Louisiana?
be... It happened
This has to
so
be like
long
just a
ago.
couple.
I don't understand why you are so...
Oh!
Mia, get down!
Oh! Oh, no! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's like she's eating like 30 bullets. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Mia, oh God. Chris? What the?
Chris!
Sorry, Ethan. No! What? Why?
Oh no, man. Chris saved me at the end of the last game. You start shooting my stinking wife? This has to be a dream. This has Frick off, bro. I'll turn you into a memory in wherever we're staying. Gosh, bros and Rose is going beast mode up.
Rose? What the are you doing with my daughter?
Put my baby down!
Secured, sir.
Package secured?
Take him away.
I said get your hands off her!
Ethan, no.
What? Oh, Rose has phantom pain, bro. This is horrible. This is horrible. Package secured? My baby got superpowers too? It's like sky high. This is treacherous. DFS speaking, what's up? Calling.
Hey, Doc.
Hello, Mr. Winters.
This is a memory,
I got
so-
your
okay, I
daughter's
thought I was
results back,
dreaming.
and I'd like you to come in to talk about them. How about next Thursday, 4 o'clock?
No problem. We'll be there. That was the doc.
Why is she walking
She'll
like
see
that?
us next week.
She's walking all ominous, bro. She's wearing the same outfit though.
Hey,
Must have
now.
been earlier in the day.
Think positively, all right? We talked about this.
I know. We hardly talk about anything else.
The incident?
Keep telling you, it's not Rose that I'm worried about.
Well, then what are you worried about? Look, she's gonna be fine. I just know it. What else matters?
We matter, Ethan! You matter!
What am I tweaking out about?
Mia, what are you talking about? Is there something you're not telling me?
Huh?
Come on, talk to me.
What's going on?
I have to take this.
What is going on? I'm like tweaking out about something. Okay. Oh! This is a jump scare, baby, bro. It's a baby jump scare, bro. Get off my screen, Rose. I'm gonna come and save you. Oh, and the bus crash that I was... This is horrible. Actually, this is pretty stinking good. Let's go back to the house. Oh, crap. Was my baby in the car, same car? Hello? 3FS on the line.
Valentine, what's your status? Is the package safe?
What are you talking about? Where's Chris Redfield? And Rose?
Who is this? This is a secure channel. You are not authorized to use it.
What the frick is going on, bro? Oh, whoa. Keep the cursing to a minimum, please.
What the hell happened here?
I just got a flashlight on me. Good stuff. Oh my gosh. Where were they trying to take me? Alright, first of all, let's kill this guy. Let's make sure this guy is like absolutely out. 100%. Seen way too many movies. They just leave this guy, wakes up, just grabs him by the neck. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? We already know. It's useless. Mission objectives. Eliminate target, recover body. Target, Mia, body, Rose? Secure Rosemary Winters and Ethan Winters. Move the two Winteresses to Site C for further investigation. At least 2 transport... Interesting. He said at least 2 transport officers. Was it like the guy back there and the guy in the driver's seat? Yeah, dude, I'm not alone in the woods, bro. Horrible timing. Yeah, we're not flipping that car back over. Alright, that's alright. Where are we going, guys? Gosh, they took my stinking baby? I remember meeting, was it Redfield at the end of 9, too? Does Redfield know something I don't? Now, first of all, you don't have to just eliminate my wife. Gosh. Y'all remember they shot her in the shoulder and Mia was like... Very interesting. She ate that sucker like a sandwich. Ate that sucker like a Pringle, bro. Are we serious, Ethan? We went through the Baker house, so we're still cutting ourselves on barbed wire. Ridiculous, isn't it? Okay, I thought there was like a big monster coming my way. Yes! Oh! Hey, you chill out with that. What happened to that bird? Oh! They killed his whole stinking family! Ronnie and the guys. Bro! They hung up all of his cousins too, bro. It's freaked out. He's still alive. He's still alive. Get away, get away, get away. I'm sorry, I can't help you. What the frick, man? Where were they trying to take? They were gonna take me to some like laboratory. What country am I in right now? Probably a... Hey! Who's running away? Get back here this instant, bro. I gotta talk to you. Oh, little bridge. Oh my gosh. The fish don't even want to be here, bro. Got a bunch of packages and crap. Nice little shed. Let's go. Hello? Who's in here? Who's in here? Okay. I don't think anybody's living in here. Sweet. We can't use that rope by any means. Is the water working here? Oh my gosh, there's got poo-poo water coming out of the faucet. Leave, bro, leave. Some pills. Okay, wait, somebody maybe is here then. Oh, yep, that bed does look used recently. Ah! Blood on the floor, bro, horrible sign. Let me open up this drawer. Bro, stop stepping on the stinking glass, Ethan. Is there a fire going on somewhere? You must think I'm stupid, bro. Okay, let's go. These flowers are all dead and stuff, bro. The Baker virus has transcended dimensions. Not looking very good. I just didn't even do that time, bro. This one has blood on it. There's probably a person in here. Oh my gosh, Putty, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, you ran away. Okay, this is a dead end though. When I go back up, there's gonna be like a jump scare. I'm not. Okay, there. Oh my gosh, he's going beast mode up there. Let's stay down here. Let's stay down here. Stay low. Shh. Stay low. What do you do? What do you do? Do you tear down the stairs? No, the stairs are made out of concrete. Can't do that. Okay, that wasn't me that made that noise. Oh my gosh! He bursted through the whole wall. Oh my gosh, Ethan's getting crawly. I saw somebody send a TikTok one time. It ain't no winter colder than Ethan. Ethan, we've been through worse. Let's do it. Bro, like it had
Who did all this?
probably like a bear or something. Oh my gosh, it was nighttime turned daytime. What does the game want me to do now? Keep going on the trail? W to climb over. W climb over. No L climb over, W climb over. Gosh, man, what, I feel like this gives off Colorado vibes, but at the same time, this can't be Colorado. Ooh! Why did Mia pre-fire? She read me the story that I... What did you...
Where am I?
We're in the dark village of, whatever the book was called. But that could be Hogwarts, bro. Harry Potter, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
Hopefully the people in this village will be very kind and help me as a lost traveler. Ethan parkour. Oh. This is horrible. Wait, did the thing that just went through the house just do this? Oh my gosh, I think so. That thing, the steam's coming off. It's like it's warm. Oh! Oh my gosh, they ruined the egg supply. My protein, bruh.
Maybe they're out?
They're out? Ethan, what are you talking about? They're out like a... What the frick, bro? I don't want to do whatever that... They gotta give me the... Oh my goodness. They're gonna have to give me a gun 10 times crazier than the Requiem for whatever this game holds. Let me guess, he like killed the whole village already. No, yeah, and Ethan's like, no, let me go investigate. Oh my gosh. They just trampled the whole village. What is that? Oh, no, no. I'm gonna take a guess at what I'm gonna do. Take a guess. Oh! Oh my gosh, brother, like the screen like flipped me over. Wait a minute. I'm thirsty. Is there any water? Kinda need some other item. Do I need to wind the well up to get inside the gate? Hold on. Oh yeah, there's a stinking lock on it. Shoot, Rev. Yeah, okay. Where's the handle for the well? Anybody know? Everybody in here can tell me where the handle is? Oh wait, it just takes me back here. Let's go down this way. We didn't go down this way. Oh no, bro. Goat heads? Gosh, bro, they're doing some satanic stuff. I'm not with that, man.
What happened?
I don't know, Ethan. I don't know. Graveyard workshop ceremony site. Ethan be like seeing all like the dead animal stuff. He's like, gosh, something crazy must have happened here. These are fresh cobs though, bro. Fresh cobs, bro. Quick little energy boost. Another one? Locked due to missing homeowner. Nah, he didn't go missing, bro. He got turned into a sandwich. Chicken's still alive. Chicken's still alive. Ooh! Something's going on out there, but I got a knife. Let's go, bro. He's inspecting to make sure it's sharp. Oh, you already know. Oh, you already know. First aid med. Can I take the lantern for light? I mean, it is daytime. Bro, it kills me because, like, all of Resident Evil 7 was, what, like, one night? Watch this be, like, a day and a half in, like, Resident Evil 8, and it's, like, a bunch of crazy stuff freaking goes on.
Did they just run out of the house?
That's my answer. They definitely did, bro. They definitely had, like, Bullcrap McGee come running through the village. And...
Friendly! Friendly!
Who are you? Who sent you?
Nobody. There was an accident down on the road and...
Dude, if he hit that shot, I was freaking buttered. I was butternut squash. He's doing a face ice!
Oh no. They're coming.
He's gonna die.
Who is?
Oh my gosh.
What the was that?
Do you have a gun?
What?
Please tell me you have a gun.
No, why would I?
Thanks, bro.
Take it.
Give me the freaking reticle. Give me the reticle. Let's go. Ethan mode. Ethan mode. He's just firing shots.
Are you listening?
Hey!
What the?
Ethan, let's go, bro. Ethan, let's move out of the location right now. Ethan, let's go. Oh!
Dead body?
You forgot an S at the end of the.
Wait, there's more.
Yo. Oh my gosh. This dude's like mogging while he's like dead, bro. He's like, bro, stop, bro. What the frick? What's going on? Bro, if he hit that shotgun shot at me, it was butternut squash, bro. The gameplay's over. Who is this? Ethan's like, I gotta make sure he's dead. Nah, he's good, bro. He's good. Just give him some water. He'll be up.
Iced.
Hey, we don't rip that one, bro. Come on.
What the hell is wrong with this place?
But the thing, hold on. Think about this. Oh! What is that? Dude up there. Ethan, put the gun up. Dude, a gun is not. I don't think a gun is gonna suffice, bro. I think it's gonna suffice. Yeah, tell him, Ethan. He's moving quick! Get fricked on, little buddy. It's my. I thought I could leave. Get forwarded on, little boy. Do you know who you're playing with? Big EW. Oh yeah, smack the ground. Yeah, you're a little angry. Yeah, go over there. Yeah, go over there. Come over here. Oh! Move a little quick. Oh my god, Frankie, buddy. No, let's take this guy to school, bro. What grade you in? 2nd grade? First grade.
What the?
That's all you got. You did that to a whole family of 9, and I put you down at 6 bullets. They don't know what game they're playing, everybody. They don't know what game they're playing. That was all headshots too, man. There was another dude in the basement. I saw another one. Hello? Let's put him to sleep too. Oh, cutters. Let's go. Let's put that guy in the basement to sleep as well. I saw him down there. He was like huffing and puffing on the ground like a little feline. All right, let's get out of here. Bubby. Let's use it, bro. Cha-ching. Genius, bro. All right, I got what, 10 ammo? I like that. How about 500? Oh, okay. All right, rest in peace that guy. Everybody, hey, throw hearts in the chat for that young man. All right, let's go. From the other side, was? They expect me to go through the house, don't they? Okay. Oh my gosh! Turn that off. There's nothing. Good frickin' thinking, Ethan. Ethan. Jump over it! There we go. What do we got right here? Chem fluid. Oh, I know what this is gonna be. Tab materials crafted. Gosh, I'm so freaking quick, bro. I can play this game freaking comp. Let's go. Come in here. Oh, there's like multiple of them. All right. You guys stay out there. Let's go. Oh! Get back. Where they coming from? Oh, yeah, give me all this ammo! Ah! That's like an old man. Get forwarded on, little buddy. What are you in, 5th grade? Yeah, you're looking a little older than the last guy. Come up the stairs. Come up the stinking stairs. Gosh, you wish you could frickin' move like this. Come on! Butthole. Gunpowder. Give me that. Ooh. Come on in. Come on, and what? I kill one of your boys, you all leave? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Real big man.
Over?
I don't know, Ethan. I don't know. Let's stay on our toes. Who knows what they'll do? I don't know. Maybe I suppose they could.
If there are any survivors out there, come to Louisa's house near the fields.
Oh yeah, Louisa's house near the fields. Nobody's coming to the house except me, bro. Big EW, man. Big man ting in the game, bro. All right, let's remove the shelf. Let's go to the Louisa's house on the fields. Ethan, we gotta fix this hand up. I don't want to see that every time I do something. It's like a Halloween decoration. Oh, they broke that down for me. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Where are they coming from? Oh! They understood the assignment. Back off then. Hold the gaze. Craft the first. You can't read, man. Open the inventory and craft. What does it want me to do? This inventory is significantly bigger than the last game. I'm a fan. Let's put that. What does he want me to do? Hey, I did it. Where does it want me to go? Louisa's house? Okay, they don't take fall damage, but they do take gun damage with the bullet. I didn't even notice they said. Give me that! Give me that! Okay. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just like shooting people and crap. Back the frick up, little boy. Bro, why are there like a million of them? And you can take. Oh! Give me a second! Go on, stop it! It's over, guys.
There's no end to them.
Where does it want me to go? Where does it want me to go? Where does it want me to go? Ring around the rosy, ring around the haystack. What the frick is that? Yo! Oh! I need shotgun ammo so bad. I need shotgun ammo so bad. Fart, man! What? Oh! Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't know where the game was. Oh, yeah, come off me. Yeah, go ahead. Give me a little taste. Give me a little taste. The fiery arrows, bro. What is the... I guess I'm... Alright. What? What? What?! I'll take whatever that is. Dude, I'm dodging him. I'm dodging him. Hold on, I gotta figure out a frickin' puzzle. This is horrible. This is horrible. Do you guys know how to break that lock? Get frickin' farted on, little guy. Bro, it's IRL big man ting over there, bro. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. That just like didn't do anything at all. Dude, this is horrible. I just don't know where to go at all. Dude. You win the intimidation war. Don't tell me he knows how to speak English, bro. No way he knows. This dude looks like a ball sack. They're like saying something to each other. I knew it. They're like, that's Ethan, get out, that's EW, get out. Genius. Appreciate you, boys. That was just experience for young men like me. Easy. Okay, great opener. I took, probably like 800 arrows and, you know, a couple scratches. Oh, I'm bandaging up my hand. Alright, that'll do for like 30 minutes. Dude, ew, bro, who is that? Don't close those gates. No, Ethan, run. Close gates. Oh my gosh, I forgot to close gates. Yes. Appreciate you.
In life and in death, we give glory.
Are you?
Hello? You shouldn't be out here. It's not safe.
Little do you know, Ethan, she like runs that whole pack.
Hey, can you hear me?
It's you, the child's father.
Child? Hey, wait. Do you mean Rose? Is she here?
She's
Rose, yeah.
Not a good sign.
She is in great danger.
I know.
Since Mother Miranda brought her to the village, we have fallen into darkness.
Who?
What are you talking about? The monsters?
Look at that look on her face, bro. She's crazy. Does she even know what she's talking about?
Castle Bell heralds danger. They're coming.
No. Wait. Where's Rose? Who's Mother Miranda?
The bell tolls for us all. They're coming again.
Rose is here?
Look for Rose. 6 bullets in a dream, baby. Let's do it. Ethan, we've done harder. We've done worse. Y'all forget about the ending of 7? Yeah, no, we got this. Easy. No, watch, she's gotta have like ammo in her house and crap. Well, that's a ritual. I'm not messing with that. See, the bed looked mad comfy though. She get the good rest. Lay down going, ah. Did she? Okay. View map. Alright, yeah, bullcrap here, bullcrap there. Okay, well, I got another well I can find the handle for. I thought I had to complete the objectives that they were telling me about prior before, like, getting into this area. As I say, it's like Billy the Goat. We offer these goats a warning to protect the village and its people. Any who break them shall feel Mother Miranda's wrath. Yeah, Mother Miranda, yeah. Will I ever get to meet her? Hopefully so. What's going on, bro? Oh, I've seen that face before. Lady Demolition or whatever her name is. Ew! Maiden Crest. I picked up something. Should disaster fall upon the village, seek out the crests. One is in the care of the church, the other is Louisa's house. So either the church or Louisa's house is where I gotta go. Yes, bro. I kid you not, this is the highlight of the whole playthrough, is just seeing one of these. Now, they said I gotta find Louisa's house, but in all honesty, the way 3FS likes to play the game is I just walk around until something happens. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just explore. Really, bruh? I gotta get more stinking ammo for this shotgun. That pulverized that young man that felt this. That his forehead was screaming after I let him hit that one. Oh, man. Big stuff, big stuff. Castle...
Guess this leads to the castle.
Dimitrescu? Wait a minute. No, that's like perfectly circular. That should work. Dimitrescu. This looks like something could fit in the depression. Dimitrescu? Something like that. I thought it said Despicable Me. Castable Despicable. Ooh, is there any ammo in here for me? You bet your sweet frickin' bippy. Mine? You messed up huge. You messed up huge. Oh, boys! It's somebody's birthday. I don't know who, bro. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Let it rip. Hey, I got something to show you guys. Come over this way. Wait, where did I put it? I can't see it. Oh, I see it, I see it. Come here, guys. Either put your hands down. Okay, wait, maybe I need to get in there a little bit. Just remember where it is. Just remember where it is. Come here! Dude, I'm gonna end up running into that sucker. Dude, I best play her safe. Can I pick it up? Okay, cool. I thought it was like you put it down and like that's it. Oh, thank the Lord. Bro, knowing me, bro, any other playthrough, I would've just blown myself up.
Okay, let's try and pick it up. Come on, come on.
Crap. Oh. Hello? Who is this?
Close the door. Please.
Eat the clothes.
Hey, what are you doing here?
You alright? I'm good.
Please, don't hurt us.
I'm not gonna do that.
It's okay.
I just blew up a mine outside
not
your
gonna
guys'
hurt
house.
you.
I killed all those guys.
I'm just glad to see normal people at last.
Uh-huh.
Have you seen any other survivors?
No. They're all in Louisa's house.
Where is that?
She's not answering and the gate is locked.
That old.
He's an outsider.
True. I got like H&M like clothes on right now.
We're sitting ducks in here. Can your old man walk?
What, I gotta carry him?
One of the monsters cut him.
I got
He's
the
lost
healing
a lot of
stuff.
blood. We have to get into Louisa's house.
Quiet.
I've got the
Stay
healing
inside.
stuff.
Stay here. Be quiet. And don't move until I get those gates open.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, quit all that coughing, man. It's like over there coughing. The monsters like, oh, they're here, guys. These people just keep like anything outside their house. Okay. Oh. Is this the way in? Young man just found a way around the stinking gates. I'll tell you that right now. All right, open it up. Cha-ching. All right, I killed those guys, right? I remember there was like one dude
Come
like
on,
gurgling
it's clear.
Hurry!
Come on. Don't get killed. Come on. No casualties. That was like 15 seconds! No, I'm killing this guy. Slicing his arm off. Frick out of here, bro. Throw some sass my way. Eat the winners, man.
He's not used to relying on other people. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's all good.
We'll be safe in here, won't we?
I don't know. It's not my village.
For sure. Hey, do you know anything about what's going on around here?
Oh, he's getting
It doesn't make any sense. Mother Miranda has always protected us.
Nobody's answer.
Father? We have to get inside.
He's over there moaning and stuff. Chill out, brother. Yes. Come on, bro. Ooh. Oh.
Just
Wait a minute.
hold on a bit longer, Papa.
Dude, he might be out, man. He might be out. Man got a cut in his shit and he's like almost dead. Lock from the other side.
There's so much blood.
It's okay. Oh, stick a poo-poo. Poo-poo zone. Let's go, man. Hey, one of you guys need to take a pee-pee or poo-poo? Go right here, man. All right, young woman, what is your name? Dude, he's like dead, bro. We gotta give him this. We gotta give him the stuff, bro. First aid. Crafted. Can I give it to him? Can I give it to him? Bro, I just flexed on him. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, bro, reverse Robin Hood, bro. I'm so sorry. They don't seem okay. I don't think they saw it. All right. Hello?
Hello? Anybody home?
Yoo-hoo, big silver
Maybe a
blah.
familiar voice. Louisa! Open up! It's me, Elena!
Stop shouting. You'll draw the monsters.
Julian, calm down.
Who's this?
A friend!
Stay back.
Father! For God's sake, Julian, let us in.
No, they'll smell the blood. They'll endanger us all.
My father will die out here.
That's not my problem.
What's going on?
Is that
These people want to let a dying man into our home.
Come now, these people are our friends.
Yes.
Go on, go inside.
Gosh, took you a minute.
Come now.
Nobody can get inside the freaking house, let alone the area. But
You're
thank
not
God it's our
from
gun down. Take the winners.
No. I'm Ethan.
I'm Ethan.
Julian, go make yourself useful and check the grounds. I said
Wipe that
go.
sass off your face, little boy. Want to do an arm wrestle? Yeah, keep walking.
Well.
Keep walking.
If Elena trusts you,
Then so do I. Come inside, Ethan.
Thanks, ma'am. I appreciate it. Do you guys have biscuits and or crackers?
Wait here. I'll check on the others.
You know what I'm gonna do while you do that? Save the game right here. Oh, spotted out the corner of my eye. Come on, bro. All right, what is his name? Julian? Let's call him a uterus. Louisa, they broke in again. They got more of the livestock. I don't think we'll make it through winter at this rate. Ernest is still missing too. We can find him anywhere. Has Mother Miranda abandoned us? Probably.
This way.
What? Oh, I was like, who's talking to me right now? She's got a super stable walk. She's not, you know what I mean?
Come inside. The others are waiting.
Oh my gosh. You guys all right?
What the f is this?
Hey, whoa!
Outsiders, you're gonna get us all killed.
No.
Anton. He helped Leonardo and Elena.
Yes.
We're doing fine by ourselves.
Dude, that dude's like dead on the
Please,
couch,
Ethan.
bro.
Take a seat.
Thank you so much.
Is this all that's left? From your entire village?
Wow. All that's left? There is no one left. A worthless invalid. A stupid, wailing.
Watch your
And you-
mouth!
You drag a bloody man and an outsider in here like it's nothing, and expect to be all safe?
I'll beat the
There
crap out of
is
this
no
guy.
safe. Every sorry bastard out there has been ripped in half. But tomorrow,
Yeah, keep drinking that alcohol.
tomorrow we'll all be dead. Just like her husband.
Oh, I did.
Put a
Oh.
sock in it, Roxana.
That's enough.
What the frick is
This
wrong with
house
this guy?
has protected my family
just
for
died.
generations. And drunk or not, you are all welcome and
Get a
safe
swift
in
kick
here.
in the giblets, man.
Whatever.
Give this guy a Twinkie.
Can someone please tell me what the hell is going on here?
We
Yes.
don't know. One day we were a quiet, devout village, and the next, the monsters came and attacked us.
Dude, man over there, 1 HP in the
they-
corner, man.
They kept coming.
Wait, Louisa. Where is your husband? Did they?
No. No, he is out there. Somewhere.
Crap, man.
He went to get help. Yes, that's
Oh, he's in pain,
that's
man.
it. He went to fetch help.
Somebody give him an iPhone with Minion Rush on
Let
it,
us
man.
pray
Yes.
for him. For all of us.
I'll lead us
Good
in
idea.
prayer, everybody.
Come. Gather.
I'll lead us in prayer, everybody. Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you
Great
for all our sins.
ones, hear our voice. Together as one in reverence, we call on thee within the endless dark to deliver us into fate's hands. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, so we make our sacrifice and await the light at the end. In life and in death, we give you glory, Mother Miranda. Now, the tea should be ready. Come
Is it
help me,
Great
Elena,
Ones?
please.
That prayer. I've heard it before. There was an old woman near the graveyard.
Was that Mother Miranda?
You mean the hag? As crazy as a bag of rats.
There is wisdom in her devotion, though. And I hope it protected her as it shall protect us.
What's she talking about?
What are you doing?
Get him out of the house. Get him out of the house now. Get him out of the house. Get him out of the house. Get him out of the house.
Elena, no, stay back.
No, let me go!
No, what is your dad gonna do now? You told me it was stinking werewolf.
We have to go.
I didn't want to see that, man. I didn't want to see that. Kick him in the balls or something. Elena, please.
Let him go!
Big man Ting, Elena, come on.
Elena?
Yes. Yes.
I said no!
Blast him. Right in the freaking nuts, bro. Alright.
I'm so sorry.
Great
Mother.
thinking, though. Great thinking. We were both dead if you didn't do
That
that.
wasn't your father anymore. You did the right thing.
Yes, yes. Look, the boards are like falling on and stuff. You did a good thing. You did a good thing.
Elena, no.
There's nothing you can do.
The whole house is coming down, Elena. The whole house is coming down.
Collapsing.
Let's go. Come on, Elena. Oh my gosh. Elena's having a horrible day.
He was already gone.
Leave me alone.
No,
I'm sorry.
we're getting out of here. Together.
Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Man, she just shot her dad.
We gotta get out of here.
She just shot her dad. Oh my gosh, I feel horrible. Oh, took that herb though. Wow, man. Wow, I just start stealing stuff from her house? Man, that's so wrong, man. Why am I... Elena, something just came across my desk. This is great. This is great. What the frick is going on, bro? I can start playing ping pong with it. What the frick is going on, bro? Picky. Picky. Just call me Picky. Wait, take the thing off. There we go. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Looks like that truck is getting a new driver. Wait a minute. Game's over. Game's over. Let's equip that one and let's reload. Why don't you come inside my abode? Take a bottle of this Brazos Gobskos and then let's get in that truck. Oh, whoa. Got a selection of some alcohol here. Hashtag don't drink, everybody. All right, now I gotta bring her spirits up. I can tell that I found the key and then we're gonna get out of here, okay? Oh, Elena, we gotta go now.
The fire's moving fast.
Come on, Elena. Let's go. Truck key.
What are you thinking?
Step back. We can bust out with this.
We've done this before. We've gotten close. I got close to Resident Evil 7. Frickin' Baker started whipping that thing crazy. You guys remember that? Alright. Hit the gas. Oh, you don't gotta frickin' tell me twice. Watch out, Elena. Big man ting. That'll work. Come on. One more big one. What's going on? Why is the truck doing cartwheels?
Are you alright?
Why is the truck doing cartwheels?
Let me back up again.
The fire. There isn't any time.
Nowhere to go but up.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I mean, we can jump out a window or something. Why was the car doing this?
Hurry.
I thought somebody was picking up on it.
Let's move.
Yeah. She has a determined look on her face. She's got it.
I know. Thank you, Ethan. You're kind.
No problem. You just had to shoot your dad.
I hope your family is safe.
I do too.
My wife is dead.
Maybe you'll get to meet them.
Oh shoot!
Come on, it'll hold.
Good stuff. Bingo!
There, that's our way out.
Thank God.
Come on.
But what then? The village is still full of monsters.
I did not think that far.
We can't fight them. There's too many.
Hey, don't talk like that. We'll find a safe house to put you in until I can find my daughter.
I give her the gun. I do this.
She's in that old castle.
No. That place is full of nothing but blood and death. And I don't want to be alone while you're... Father?
Oh! Pull it out.
Elena, no. That's not him.
Pull it out.
Not anymore.
He said my name. Father!
Wait, it's not safe. Stay there.
What am I gonna do? Pull her up? No. He's gonna bite you, bro.
Ethan, go! Save your daughter!
Elena, don't give up! Reach for me! Why is everyone dying on me?
This is the worst start to a playthrough ever, bro. This is the worst.
This is just too much.
Yeah, even after RE7, bro, he's like not even lying. Gosh darn it! Elena!
I just don't get it.
Her dad was doing a Magnus Carlsen level outplay by saying her name. Frick off! What do I even do now, bro? Jump off, break my leg, call it a day? Rather that. Watch, Elena's gonna be on zombie mode climbing up the stinking
This place
walls.
is going mad. Why the f is this happening again?
I know! Alright, man. Gosh, this is stinking ridiculous. Gosh darn it. Everybody's dead. Oh. I just totally did that on accident. Genius. Let's go. Oh, crap. Who's doing target practice?
Who's there?
Oh, stop! Mother Miranda!
Hey!
Mother Miranda's on evil mode. That's it, bro.
What was that?
Mother Miranda on evil mode, Ethan. Come on, get with the times, bro. That dude is for sure dead. Where did he go? No, for real, where'd he go? Alright, it's that old lady again. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, can I put these little things?
Yes. Death has visited them all.
Is that not my She finds that hilarious. You thought she's sitting in front of a comedy show. Do I take care of the problem right now? Alright, let's do the things and go to the castle. Alinda said not to go to the castle, but curiosity is gonna get me, but it's not gonna kill this cat. You know what I mean? Bang. Big man, let's go.
Nothing but blood and death. Huh?
The despicable castle. Gosh, I'm excited, man. You guys wanna know how you can tell? Look at this. Look at the lighting on this, man. Gosh. This is gonna be frickin' nuts. This is gonna be frickin' nuts. Not from the other side. Any goodies down here? Any goodies? Pull that.
Well. Didn't think anyone was left. You must be pretty tough. Huh.
He's got like 0 G powers.
Are you?
Oh, you're not local. Even
No.
better.
What? What is he doing?
Mother Miranda's gonna love you.
Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro.
Wait, you're whining. We're almost there.
Whining, I'm like locked in a bunch of frick this guy, bro.
The man is of no real use to anyone else, and my daughters do so love entertaining foreigners.
Nope.
Furthermore, I can assure you, if you entrust the mortal to House Dimitrescu, my daughters and I shall deliver to you the finest.
Why, ugly? I want to see. He's awake.
Brother, shut the f*** up!
Oh!
Where?
You mean you'll screw around with him in private, and where's the fun in that? Give him to me, and I'll put on a show that everybody can enjoy.
Ugh, so gauche. What do we care for bread and circuses? The man thinks suffering is assured.
Yak, if a man's is cut off in the castle, blah,
Whoa,
blah.
whoa! What did you just? No! I need that,
I've heard
bro.
all your arguments. Some of you were less persuasive than others, but I've made my decision. Heisenberg, the man's fate is in your hands.
Mother Miranda, I must protest. Heisenberg
You talking about
is
cutting my
but
weenie
a
off.
child, and his devotion to you is questionable. Give the mortal to me, and I will ensure he is ready.
Shut your and don't be a sore loser. Go find your food somewhere else.
Quiet now, child. Adults are talking.
I'm the child. You're the one who's arguing with Miranda's decision.
You wouldn't know responsibility if it was welded
Oh,
to
keep
that.
growing. One day your head might actually fit your ego.
Hey, don't I get a say in this?
Silence! My decision is final. There will be no argument. Remember from whence you came.
Thank
This is freaking crazy.
And gentlemen, we thank you for waiting. And now let the games begin.
Let's see what you have. Ethan Winters.
Let it rip. Let's go.
No! 10, 9, 8, 7.
What's he counting down to? What is he counting down to?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's right. Run for your life.
What do you think I'm doing, bro? Yep. Kick it. Bang. Give me that stuff. Let's go.
Very nice, Ethan.
Bro, this is crazy. No! Get this guy out of my way. Duck. Oh my, Ethan. Did he miss it? What's going on? What's happening? I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa! Woo! I'm like riding the slide.
You're still alive? Impressive.
He got a Fortnite trap. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I see it. I already see it. I already see it. I already see it. Gamer eyes. Let's go. Bang. Come on. I thought it ended. I thought it ended.
My word. You truly are as strong as they say.
They say, dude, I gotta be a legend around here.
I don't think I've let you get away. Gotta keep Donna and Moreau entertained. So now it's time for the beautiful.
What the freak? They got all these traps set up.
Nothing like fresh American ground beef.
Genius freaking move, Ethan. Let's go, man.
Too close.
Now we're just getting started. We're just getting started.
Do those freaks have Rose?
Have what? Rose? Oh, my daughter. Yikes, bro. I forgot. I'm still coming for you, honey. This place is freaking crazy. It's Trap City. Okay, whoa. Hey, if I step in this room, look. Young man on the floor. He was just like me. He made it this far. Dodge. I played these games. Oh. 2 times. Oh. 3 times. Okay. Get in there. Get in there. Now. Crouch. Ethan, crouch. Wait. He doesn't know. He doesn't know to activate him because I'm not in here. But that's what he thinks. Bro, is this what they do? They collect people who haven't played like Evil Wipeout? Bro, think you finding Frankie. Oh. I thought I locked it. Oh, we're back here. Let's go up to the top floor then. Okay, now as soon as I flip this lever though, he's gonna be like, wait a minute, hold on. I just got an everyone. I know his location now. Frick it. Oh yeah. Big entrance for the big guy. Let's keep it going. Oh, what is that dude doing up there? You guys see that? Oh, I thought he's like, his like arms are moving real fast. Like, oh, that's his sweatshirt. Back outside. Okay, I'll take it. Yeah, those are just real people. All right, that's neat. That's super cool. Well, I just didn't even make it to the castle yet. That was like
I've been waiting for you, Mr. Winters.
How do you know my name?
Anyone who is anyone has heard of the likes of you.
A
hero searching for his daughter.
Yes.
Though I must say, that castle arouses suspicion.
Yeah, and so do you.
Yeah.
I am but a humble merchant.
Here?
Oh, forgive my manners. Call me the Duke. Now to business. Weapons, ammunition, healing salves, anything you desire, I can provide.
Thank you. Thank you. Any talk I said earlier about big man, anything I said, I revoke all of it. I revoke all of it. I give that R to you, sir. I'm just like beating the crap out of my mic. Sorry. Okay, let's see what you got.
Naturally.
What do you got? What do you got? Shop, you can buy
Please
things.
do take a look at my new stock.
We got like old and new stock. He's got like new purchase. I got 2,900 Lee. Okay, let's do gunsmith. What kind of firepower you got? Oh my gosh, you can upgrade it. It's the best game ever made. Right, hold on. Goodness gracious, 8,000. What do you think I'm made of, Lee? Okay, wait.
You don't quite have the cash on hand.
I was just seeing if you'd let me do it for the one time. I already got. Oh, and then I can sell it to him. Okay. Then
This
I sell
is
it.
all an investment, Ethan.
I don't. Okay, he's like doing voice lines like while I'm in the store. Let me shop around, bro. I like your stock.
Thank you for your patronage.
I was gonna ask if he's a little cold out here, but I don't think so. You guys can take a guess why. I appreciate you. I'll be coming back. Ooh, you know it, man. You know it. I'll be coming back. All right. Hello? Who's in here? Castle Dimitrescu.
Could Rose be here?
Probably, bro. Where else are they gonna take her, bro? 3 daughters: Bella, Cassandra, and Daniela. Okay. Maybe it came out they thought it was a boy that said Daniel, and there was a girl like, oh shoot, Danielle. 500? That big stinking bag. How much I got now? 1,700? It's not 8,000. That's what I need. That's what I need. Please tell me that. Ooh. Wait. This looks breakable. How did I know? Is there another one here? Oh, please tell me they got some save stuff over here, yeah? Gosh, see, I don't know what it is. When I was a younger kid, I wanted to make a game. The #1 environment I always wanted to do was like an abandoned old manor. It is the coolest thing to be. Probably because of Dark Deception, like chapter 3, that is, I think, with the Gold Watchers. It is the coolest environment. Like old manors, oh, it's so freaking cool. When they announced this game, I got mad because I was like, they stole my idea. These environments just, look at this, man. It's just so cool. Oh, somebody's having fun. You ever hear that? Okay, there's like traps on the floor. Let's watch out. What does this say? Mask the angels. What?
Looking for Rose?
What did you guys say? Oh!
Man blood.
Oh! Alright, let me put my stinking shirt on. Are these the fools taking care of my baby?
I bring you fresh prey.
Pray.
You are so kind to me, daughters.
Oh, fart. It's the big woman.
Now, let's take a look at him.
Hey.
Well, Ethan Winters.
Uh-huh.
You escaped my little brother's idiot games, did you?
Little brother?
Let's see how special you are.
The one and only, man.
Yes, Mother.
Yes, Mother.
Oh. Gosh, I just know they stink. I kind of like that. Ow! What is she doing, bro? Ooh, she's getting a taste. Okay.
Starting to go a little stale.
Then let's devour his
Was?
man flesh quickly, Mother.
I am the one who captured him.
Now, daughters. First, I must inform Mother Miranda. But later, well, there will be enough for everyone.
Uh-huh.
What am
Oh,
I-
shoot, they're gonna kill me. No, don't do that. What are you guys doing, you guys? Stop it. Whoa.
Oh, be careful what you wish for, Ethan Winters.
I didn't even want to be suspended. I didn't even wish for this.
Wait,
Where you guys going?
What are you doing?
Where you guys going? Let's give me a little wave, huh? I'll see you guys later. Dude, I must have YSL on or something, bro. I gotta have Baccarat on or something. It's got her freaking out. She smelled the napkin. They want to get a taste of me, man. Mrs. Dimitrescu took a big old freaking bite or whatever it was. All right. So, all right, Ethan, let's do some thinking. All right, so we got, okay. We got a bed over there. She's not fitting in that gosh darn bed. You say you barely fit in the chair. Cheek so big, it's almost broke the freaking legs off. Sorry. Okay. Now, my eye spots. Oh, the game's doing it for me. The game. Okay. That's fine. So there's a little handle right there. Oh.
I gotta get out of here before they come back.
No, Ethan, I planned on staying here the whole night. I was gonna it's like hold the gaze. Like, all right, I see this handle over there. This is what we're gonna do. Ethan, we're gonna take up our shoe, throw it over there. Maybe not. Maybe not. Hold on. Let me do like a little wiggle. Can I like start wiggling and stuff? Come on. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? Oh my gosh, Ethan! Ethan, why did you do that? Dude, you. All right. No, I think I've definitely done worse. Okay. What is that? Oh my gosh, how convenient. Just pour it over the whole freaking thing. Oh, yes. Gosh, they got that fire blazing. Probably feels mad good in this room. What's she sipping on? Okay. Now, they're gonna come in here and, like, turn me into a bologna sandwich later, so... I could stay low, hide under the bed. Nah, but they got the sniffers on them. They're like canines. They sniff me out wherever I go. They probably know I'm on the... They probably sense that my vertical level changed by about 5 feet. They probably sensed that. Alright, let's go. See, they're having like a fruit salad with blood on it. Gross, dude. Nobody's eating that. Ooh, secret passageway behind the fireplace? Oh, yeah. Things just got real. Big EW with the big frickin' escape. Crawl. 2 plenties on the frickin' way. Let's go. Let's have a fun little ball. If I see the sisters, I'm a frickin' ball. Let's go. Come on, man. Feeling good tonight. What do we got? Okay, when did they just give me, like, staples and gears and planks and stuff? Is that of my baby? Maroon eye ring. What did I just do? Alright, let's go. Let's go. What's the mission? What's the mission, Ethan? What's the mission? Let's put on this armor. Let's put on the armor. Oh, no, I'd be making too much noise. Alright, let's make a whole bunch of noise and break this. Where's the game want me to go? What is possibly the objective right now? If they see me one time, it's over.
Where have they taken Rose?
I forgot, I gotta get my daughter. Shoot. Oh. Little puzzle. What's going on? 3, 1, oh yeah, 2, and then... Wait a minute. Oh yeah, 4 and then 2. Okay. Now, what did that thing say earlier? Because I was trying to read it and she interrupted me. Mask the angels, blinded gaze, and only then will you be saved. Mask the angels, blinded gaze, and only then will you be saved. There's some dirt right there. That road needs to be paved. Where's one of those little typewriters? My game needs to be saved. Wow! Look at this! Look at the lighting on this! Where can I save my gosh darn game? What's that noise? Is that thing moving? Where all the Dimitrescu homies at? Are they having a fun time upstairs?
Let me go up there.
Oh, I gotta open it up. There's like a bathroom stall says vacant or in use or something. Gosh, what a beautiful game this is. Fantastic. Where's everybody at? Wine room. Chem fluid. Oh, shoot. You can't use this as is. Ah, I need to put that eye in there. Okay. Break all the vases. It's literally just mood. That'll depend on how I pronounce that word. Ever since I learned, both of the words are just as tough. Vase and then vase. Both just as valid. Yo, are you guys here? This thing's literally about to fall. Like, the thing is just, like, seconds from falling. Okay, maybe I gotta explore some other parts of some stuff. Oh, shoot, what's up, man?
Oh, we meet again.
What's up, man?
Duke, why are you here?
Where there's coin to be made. And have you found your daughter?
No.
No.
If she is truly here, the lady of the castle would have kept little Rose in her private chambers, would she not?
Dimitrescu?
The very same.
Oh, I'm throwing you on it? Sorry.
Maybe you'll get lucky. And speaking of looking, care to make a purchase?
We'll see. Guy's got that big busting belly come out of his shirt, man. I can't help but look. Ooh, it's a map. It's a little game. Looks like there's a hole for something special. The Resident Evil devs always know how to make me excited about something little and minuscule. I gotta put like a little marble in there and just do like a little luck marble run. Get like 3,000 coins if you get on 450. Genius. Just what I was looking for. Okay, what else can I do in these other areas? I gotta be missing something, man. Why is it hanging sideways? What the frick? Is Gravity Man having a fun time? Or is the whole castle, like, tilted? That is crazy. Is every light fixture like that? No, I think it's just that one. Why is it doing that? Gravity anomalies, man. Hate when that happens. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Let me inspect. Bang. Bang. Throw it in there. Genius. Maroon eye. How scary. Oh my gosh. What the?
I haven't cut open a man in a while. Let me string
Don't do
you
it.
up.
Please don't do
Slice your
it.
jugular.
Please
and
don't
just
do it.
Watch.
Please don't do
Taken
it.
alive, dead, which would you prefer?
What's up? What do you want? Please don't do it.
You will look wonderful mounted in our hall.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry. Wow, I just fell 4 stories and I'm okay. Okay.
Let me just read this thing real quick while I just get chased.
June 9th, 1958. It was my first day working at the castle today. I was the most shocked to see the other staff were all women. The mistress and her daughters were very adamant they wouldn't bite. It was quite peculiar. June 23rd, 1958. It's been 2 weeks since I started working at the castle and I'm a little afraid. Another maid, Adela, made a mistake and Miss Danielle slashed her face with a knife. Nah, man. See, that's what they don't tell you when you go into the workforce, man. They do that all the time. And at night, I can hear wailing as if ghosts roam the halls. I want to go home. I don't know what to do. These young ladies were complaining it was too hot and stuffy during dinner, so I opened up the window just a crack. Shut it! Shut it now! They all shrieked at me in unison. I fear I may be taken down to the cellar, never to be seen of again. Ooh, that was the last letter. I'm afraid I can predict what they did to that guy. Oh my gosh, it's Big D. Oh, large, nope. Okay. Big lady. Why is she so big? Her parents would have had to been like Shaq size. Her parents were like Shaq and Yao Ming. Don't come back in this room. This looks like the goodies room. I kinda like this room. This is the goodies room. Now, did the lady that turns into a bunch of flies, I don't know if that's Bella Daniela. I don't know the other names. They don't have a, do they not like, are they not that, I feel like it was not that hard to tell where I went. Oh crap, this is a trap. Let's go. Trust in light. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, I knew they did. Most what Resident Evil game has physics like this? Come on. That's how you know you're doing it right. Light it up. Oh, we got the whole room turning. Genius. Hold on, I just can't see anything. Okay. Oh, flashlight man. Flashlight man, damn. So they're keeping all the prisoners. That dude opened up that window. They probably... Alright. The dude opened up that window. They took him down here to the bad house. This is horrible. Ethan, we have to get out of here immediately. Aw, crap. You good? One of them's down here. One of them's down here. Let me get this ammo real quick. Let me get this ammo real quick. With that money. Ooh, yeah, I'll take the money. I'll take the money. One of them's down here. They're playing tricks with me. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready for this. Forgot, man. It's Headshot Sunday. It's Headshot Sunday. Little game of ping pong. Little game of ping pong. It's alright. Hold on. Hold on. Ultra kill. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Playing ping pong with your boys. Playing ping pong with your boys. Genius, genius. I think I just got a key. I think I just got a key. What I just get. Then they disintegrate when they're dead. Oh shoot, let's get out right now. We gotta do a little climbing. Was that the poop corner? Oh crap. Now what did I get? I got a Ingrid's necklace. Animal bones. To ward against evil. Valuable. Was that not the thing that guy was wearing with the big gears? Maybe. No, Ethan, let's climb out. Let's climb out. Oh my gosh, we're stupid. It's locked in there. Crap. It's locked in there. What am I talking about?
I can't believe Cassandra caused all this mess.
You didn't tell me she could walk through walls.
Blood. I can't
Quit talking to me like that. Quit talking to me like that. Stop it. Stop. Gosh. She's like using like the seductive voice. She's like, the man blood.
When they're alive, and it's that
Cut your dialogue in half.
little one.
Little? Oh, thanks for helping me through. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bullets cannot harm.
Genius! Genius!
You stupid man!
They gotta stay inside or else they get farted on. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Genius, genius, genius. No, I can armor! Idiot!
What? My body! It's breaking!
Oh, that sucks. Oh my god. No, I'm so sorry. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. So, I'm so sorry.
Impertinent man!
What is she? She's making like glitchy noises.
Bare your teeth at us!
That's it. You're done. You're done. Get out. Don't ever fight me, man. Looks like I just gotta bring all the sisters in here. Oh my gosh, you want my blood? Oh, it's in that room right over there. Come on, let's go. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ethan Winter's in the house. What did you think was going to happen? Oh, I'm working with like 3 fingers over there. That sucks. Sanguis Vergingis, whatever that's. What was that? Sanguis Vergingis. Bottle of wine ornamented with intricate silver flowers. Looks like it was bought a long time ago. This drunk's probably worth like 30,000 bucks, bro. I'm keeping this thing, bro. Probably worth 30,000 freaking bucks. Old Dimitrescu mansion. Old Dimitrescu mansion wine. 3 million years old, selling on eBay. What did I just get? What did I just get? I just got a recoil compensator. Oh, that's just great because I'm just gonna continue to use this weapon and I'm gonna upgrade it when my boy Duke over there is like, hey, what's up, man? And then it's just gonna be the best day ever. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Is there any way out of here or do I have to lockpick that? Okay. Yeah. Let me guess. This is... Knew it. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that preemptively. Genius. Now, where can I put that statue I just got? Where do I put that statue I just got? Crystallized remains. Probably sell for a decent amount, too. Hey, Duke, Hey, Duke. Can I sell you this?
I've expanded my services. Please, come take a look.
What'd you learn how to do in like 30 minutes? You like learn dentistry?
Then feel free to peruse.
Oh, he did expand his gosh darn services. Okay, I could sell Ingrid's necklace. The crystal torso for a good stinking amount of money. That's huge, dude. That's 5K right there. Now, see, but it's kind of cool. I kind of just want it on me. I wonder what his role in it. I know he's kind of just like the shop manager guy. He's got to be related to the Dimitrescu's, right? Dimitrescu? Isn't that how you say it? Dimitrescu? No, you in it. Why am I throwing you in it? All right, y'all, I got to pick this up tomorrow. I'll be back. Stop shooting the weapon. It's blinking. What? I know where to put this little guy. The angel of butthole wants me to complete the whole game. What? I just can't use it? More stuff I can't use. I'm gonna leave a negative review on this game, honestly. If in the next 20 minutes, if I don't figure something the frick out, bro, this is gonna be horrendous, bro. Yep. Okay, yeah, you gotta put the wine bottle somewhere. Bang. What does that do? Okay, it doesn't give me some, but it lets me get somewhere. Okay, what we got? Courtyard key. I'll take it, bro. Alright, now, since I just found something that has actual use to it, I swear. If they pull something, Lady D comes out, the little daughters come out and do something freaking stupid. Stop shooting them freaking. I didn't even touch my mouse, bro. Just let me get to the courtyard. Just let me get to the courtyard. Wait, it's up here, it's up here, it's up here. It's right over there, it's right there. It's like somebody growling.
Shall I give you the tour?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose it. Oh! Go ahead, take, bro. I just gotta take her to the room with the windows. I just gotta take her to the room with the windows.
How's it feel?
Yep, come in here. Come in here. This game sucks, bro. This game licks crack, man. Put the gosh darn key in there. It's gonna take me a minute to bring my spirits back up, bro. You unlocked it. Thanks. I thought I locked it. Gosh! It's about time. Now I get out here and large lady is like, alright, what's up, man? More puzzles. This is what I've been waiting for, bro. Just more puzzles. Yes. 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 Break this, pick up some more bullcrap. Let me break something over there and then get even more bullcrap. Sorry. I just got a notification somebody commented cheese on one of my videos. Thank you, boss. This looks promising. There's light over here. Hello? There she is. There she is. Ethan, don't make yourself known. She's gotta be deaf. She's gotta be hard of hearing. These doors are like 300 pounds each, bro. She heard that. What am I gonna do? Confront her? Are you serious? Hey, if I'm going down, she's going down, bro. If not going down, she's at least losing a leg. Okay, let me deselect this. Actually, I'm gonna like accidentally click and like blow myself up. Ooh,
What have you done to my daughter?
She's not talking to me, right? She doesn't know I'm here. Okay, cool. I don't think she's talking to me. Another freaking door that's locked. There's so many. What is this? Oh, is this a map of the whole place? Hey, all right. What do we have here, bro? Oh, this is a bathroom. That's the bath. Royal bath. Except it's blood in there. I personally wouldn't bathe in there. Okay, hold on. Oh, brother. Are you serious? There's something I can read over here. Hold on. Women are blind to males' advances, but the poor shall take their chances to give their lord bounty sown, so soon the wine may flow. Siri, go ahead and throw up the understanding amount. Yup. Women are blind to male advances. That's the first thing we want. So women are blind. Okay, so we have this a lady right here. Wait a minute. Ah, you can only rotate them in the axis that they're already in. I see. So the wine may flow. Hold on. Yeah, no, because I did it all on accident, right? I don't know. All right, let's go. Basement time. I do it every game, bro. Go down the ladder. Dude, I think it's like CSGO where you hold I think it's like CSGO where you hold W to go down the ladder. What do we have here? How's this thing moving? All right. Yeah, it's definitely blood. Yeah. They're like vampires and stuff. All right, we got bullcrap inside the blood. We got bloody bullcrap. Get up, dude. Get up. Stay in the water if you want, dude. I'm just gonna kill you either way. Might as well reveal yourself now. Frick off, bro. I'm gonna frickin' eat you later. I'm just running through them. Yeah. Come on. Bang. Let's go. Farted on, little boy. Cha-ching him out. Let's go. Don't waste your ammo on fools. They don't know the value of it. Load it up. Alright, now what is Lady D doing? Barney. It's about frickin' time I saw one of these. Holy 1,000. Alright, I got enough to upgrade. Where's Duke when you need him? Oh, they give me a save right here. That means something crazy is about to go down. Alright. Ethan, watch your step. Get over there. Oh. Oh. Ethan, hide. Watch out. She's blind! No way! She's got the XL cigarette. Put an extender on it. What's up?
Mother Miranda, I regret to inform you that Ethan Winters has escaped that fool Heisenberg.
Yep.
Because he is in my castle and has already proven too much for my daughters to handle.
Already killed one, bro.
When I find him...
Oh, don't look to your left.
No, Mother Miranda.
What? What?
Yes, of course, I understand the importance of the ceremony.
Mm-hmm.
I won't let you down.
Mm-hmm. No! She's old.
With the ceremony.
Nope, she's not going.
Man will pay for what he's done.
Oh, I sure will. Yes, I will. See, I'm just curious. Oh my gosh, I thought she was opening the door. I was about to crap my freaking britches, bro. I was gonna say, the daughters are normal sized. Why does she have the XL build, man? Why does she have the XL build on? And the daughters are normal sized. What does this say? We were all called by Mother Miranda to decide the fate of the child's father, me. Just thinking that family meeting makes me shudder. I think I'm treated like a sister to those yep, can't pronounce that. Especially Heisenberg. That riffraff won't know the proper manner. They're just saying stuff, dude. I would have sliced him to ribbons if Mother hadn't stopped me. Why does she treat me the same as them? She gave me this castle. Maybe, is that Lady D talking? I don't freaking know. She's talking in friggin' hieroglyphs, bro. Whoa. Who sisters? Whose crib is made for this? Who's going into here? Whose crib is this?
Rose, where are you?
Was Rose already in here? Rose taking a fat old nap and they grabbed her up. Fart, man. It's locked from the other side. Of course it is. Locked? I'm trapped in a stinking room. Is there anywhere to go from here? What is this? I'll take it, bro. Dimitrescu's key. But a key.
There you are. All this for a child who isn't even here.
What the do?
You ungrateful, selfish wretch! You come into my house! You lay your filthy man hands on my daughters! And now you even try to steal my property!
Mine!
Dare.
Yeah, she's pushing me through the floor. I just fell 3 floors.
Rest while you can! Because I will hunt you, and I will break you!
Guys, chill out, Lady D.
Go ahead, do your worst.
Ethan, I don't know if I'd be talking like that. She could kill me right there. I already just broke like hip bone, backbone, scapula. I don't know many other bone names, but I just pushed me through 3 gosh darn floors. I'm expecting her to be okay. Ridiculous, bro. She said she would hunt me down and break me. Okay. Gosh, that's crazy, bro. All right, no, let's go. Now, I'm so interested to see what this game has for how I'm supposed to beat her, bro. Because I'm assuming the way the story goes, there's an ending where I get my daughter back. And I'm assuming part of that process means killing Lady D, bro. Frick it, man. Have her do a dunk contest with Shaq. First one to lose gets killed. She put up a crazy fight too, bro. Not even kidding you, bro. Where am I at right now? The music's all like scary. She like hunting me down actively? Probably. Got this knife though. Bro. Oh! Ouch. Little delayed reaction.
You'll be sliced to ribbons before you ever see that child.
It's my kid! Oh my gosh. No, please don't do this now. Please don't.
You will learn what it means to insult our Dimitrescu.
It's going through those. What is it doing this to me? Your right hand is unusable. Nah, no way. No. I play Dead by Daylight. Stop! Oh!
It's too late to turn back.
I must have hold of myself.
Bro, I feel like this is so stupid because I'm running around these little bins, running around the bins. Just picks me up, bro. She has the reach. What is this chase sequence? Okay, all right, I used the lever. Oh, that's okay. For a second, I was like, why would they make me turn the lever so slow? Oh, I have gas everywhere. So what do I have to do? Heal up until, hold on, let me like analyze the surroundings. Just lay, there's that. Before she cuts off my right hand, let's see what I can do. Here's my theory. I gotta hold her off long enough so that maybe like that dude from the beginning that had the powers, the gravity powers can come in and be like, what's up, man?
You will learn what it means to insult our stomach Trask.
I didn't even... She says, house stomach Trask. This is my house now. Come over here, big lady.
Man, she toying with me, bruh.
You're just like doing renovations at this point. You're just like,
don't waste my time.
All right, okay. Bro, she's stupid as a box of peaches. Doesn't even know where she's going. All right, check this out. Right? Oh, okay, wait, that opened up an opportunity for me. Come around this way, Friggin' loser. Come on, bro. I'm just kicking things with my hands. Let's get that. Yeah, no, that's the one that takes forever to open. All right, how did I forget? Bro, I hate how she just walks. What? Serious? All right, let's go. Hey, what are you doing over there? You're just tearing up your own house, idiot. She went this way, let's go. Gosh, what a fool. What a fool. Increscent vertebrate jellies, whatever that one dude said. Is she coming down this way? I think I'm good. What do we got here? Mask of Sorrow. Ah, that goes on one of the angels.
Running will get you nowhere.
She's saying that she was just walking the whole time. Gosh, what a fool you are. All right, yeah, pour the liquid on, then attach my hand back, and we... What did I tell you guys, man? What did I tell you guys? Ethan Winters. All of my veins, my nerves, and my bones are just... lickety split, bro. No, not with the courtyard. And it's good? In my clothes, too? Wow.
Man, screw this castle.
It's crazy how this game tries to pass this off as like Ethan's a normal human. Whoa. Who the frick is like breathing? Got one of the... I cannot stand this. No, frick it. It's over. It's over. Alright, let's unlock this door. Now, to be fair, I need to put the... Let me put the mask on the place before I go back. Hold on. I unlocked the new door, but let me go... Yeah, let me go put the mask on the guy. Gosh, man, the Resident Evil games always got, like, the walkers and stuff, bro. Stupid, bro. Stupid. Mask of Sorrow. Alright, then I need to do 3 more. Yeah, simple task, simple task. Wait, she's... I thought she was gonna say something. She's just chasing me. Then she's just walking, bro. Alright, you're never gonna know what tactic this is called. Then I'm off. Yeah, come down the stairs. Duck under this tiny little doorway. Oh, wait, I'm going back upstairs. What? Oh, I'm on the same floor? Launch right back through. Back in the game, baby. Come on. Get the frick out of my way, little boy. You could barely fool a preschooler with that, and I just fooled you.
Lady B.
Okay, this is the new area, right? Yes. Lock from the other side. Let's go up. Let's go. Alright, now this is probably where I fight one of the other sisters, yeah? Probably. What do we got? What do we got? Please beware that the mistress's lipstick is missing. If anyone finds it, could they please return it to her bathroom? It is custom made, therefore very expensive. There's like blood in it. Watch that be her superpower. That keeps her big. Ooh. Oh my. Lady D gonna be like, learn the piano, I'll set you free. Oh shoot, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing up here, pal? Hey man. They make this game low FOV on purpose. I just can't see hashtag squat. My face is so close to the screen. I'm like Nick Merckx. Okay, hold on. Yes, I know how to play this. Ethan had a little piano lesson. Very good. What did I just get? Iron Insignia Key. Yes, I know exactly what this goes to. Insignia Key. What other doors do I need to unlock? Hold on. Knowing my luck, I'm gonna... she's just gonna be in the courtyard waiting for me. Is she still walking around in here? Oh, watch this be it. Watch this be it. Back up! Stop. Oh my gosh, stop it. This game is ridiculous, bro. Like, what even is that? What's she even doing right there? Gosh, it's such an elite play breaking those windows, man. Thinking ahead. She's still in here? No. Is this where the key goes, though? Wait a minute. Which door am I trying to unlock? Bro, frick off! Will you let me go up this time? Yes or no?
Trying to work up my appetite, are you?
I mean, if you get hungry looking at me, that is on you.
You disgusting outsider.
What are you doing right there? Okay. I genuinely don't know where I'm supposed to take this key. Let me save my game.
It's a pleasure to see you safe. How were things?
No sign of Rose.
I know.
So sorry it turned out.
See, but why is this guy not trying to kill me?
You'll find your way to her once you're out of this castle. Do you have need of anything for the road ahead?
I got a lot I can sell this guy.
I've expanded my services. Please, come take a look.
He's always saying he expanded his services. He's like, sell the same things. Well, let's sell some stuff. I could sell one of those. I'll do the glass, and I'll do the statue. Now, I'm assuming I don't need these. I'm assuming I can just sell these. All right, cool. Yes. Okay, he enjoyed that.
I'm skilled at all sorts of weapons modifications, and will do them for a small fee.
Let's do this one. Easy. That's no question about it. And let's do reload speed as well. That's gonna be good.
What? Ah, it's fine. All finished.
What? You thought I say something? Let's upgrade the power of the pistol as well.
One moment, please.
And then, okay, I need 2,500 to do reload speed, because that's really all it is. I don't care about the rate of fire, because it's not too bad when they're coming at you. Like, I'm not too no. Pay me no mind.
Good day, then.
No problem, bro. Wait a minute. Iron Insignia Key. I need to go down. How did I do that? Why is she stop making all that noise? Like a kid's watching, man. She's in there, stop. Here we go. Iron Insignia Key. Let's go. What do I gotta do? I gotta figure out a way to... Here we go. Now let's throw the pipe bomb at the wall and break it because it need the flames. Watch. Genius. Come on, bro. Light it up. Swing back. Light up your friend. There we go. What do we got? What's in here? Dead people? Oh my gosh, spherical eye. Azure eye. What can we use this for? Oh, is this something I can sell?
Play with me some more.
Okay. Oh, that works here. Let's frickin' go. I just stumbled into that by accident. Now...
So you finally came to see me. Everyone falls in
It's not breaking.
Kiss me.
No. What do I do? What do I do? Let's go.
Ow! So mean! You'll kill me!
Yes, that's like... I mean, that's... I am trying to do that.
Why are you doing this? Why? Why would you do this?
They're saying this. They're like okay with like killing me too. Oh!
Don't you love me? I don't want to die.
I'm sick of bugs.
See, the character always like, please don't kill me, please don't die. If you don't try to do it to me first, you are chill. They're like, oh my gosh, no, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm made out of bugs, I can't help but try and kill people. Really? Just don't try to kill people. And they'll let you chill around. You'll be surprised. For free. No payment required. Now, where do I put this eye at? Gosh, I killed two of the three sisters. That other sister's gonna be like, ladies, come on in. Ladies? She's not gonna know what hit her, bro. This is the one that goes on the one. Let's go. What do we got here? Gosh, Lady D was always big. Very interesting. Oh, it's sweet, man. I've been waiting for that.
Cassandra, come here now. Enough games. I want that man's head. Now go. Of course, Mother.
Don't open the map. They don't know I know this. And I'm gone. Cha-ching! Genius. It's a little save, Duke. How you doing?
Welcome. You're sure to find something new.
Yes, in like 20 minutes. Alright. What's going on in this room now? Sorry. Let the 5 bells of this chamber ring out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just gotta count to 5. 1. Very solid sound. Very solid sound. I respect it. Thanks. Nothing there? Okay, cool. Alright, where are the bells at? Wait, is it 5 rings of 1? No, I lit it up. Oh, there's a bell in there. Oh, do I gotta time it and shoot it? I hit it, I think. Are they hidden in here, or do I need to go to like other places? Oh, there's a bell up there. Where are these bells at, bro? Where are these bells at? Bang. Easy. Now this last bell's actually gonna be like really hard. I have no idea where it would be. Is that it? Oh, that is a bell right there. Oh my gosh. Bang. That's 5. Come on, man. What a good puzzle that is. Yes. I rank puzzles by how easy they are to accomplish. Yes, I do. Get these secret access points now. I'll take that, herb. Genius. Let's get a little climby. We're going to the tippy top. Ethan, chill out, Ethan. Treasure map. Wait, what did that say? Dungeon, kitchen, treasure. There's a heirloom worth a fortune in that nobleman's casket, but there's a gosh darn trick to it. Something about lighting the way. I believe I already did that, no? I heard there was something called the Dagger of Death's Flowers somewhere in this castle. It's apparently an antique from the Middle Ages that is coated in concoction of poisons across the continent. It's said to have been crafted to kill demons and monsters. Sounds fascinating, but no one knows where it is. That's hilarious. I will be finding this very object very, very soon. You will see. Yo, what is sitting on this chair right here? Not enough space? We just need to play a little Tetris, that's all. We just need to play a little Tetris. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Now, how do you work? Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get inside. Where's that other one flying at? They got frickin' bat mutants of him. Is he still alive? I don't know what the frick he's doing. Oh, give me that, thank you. Gosh, this environment is crazy. This really is like a Harry Potter castle. It's nuts. Gosh, what does it want me to do out here? I can just like walk around and stuff. It's kind of neat. Holy crap, 1,000? Where was that at? Yes, get that immediately. Shoot, I'm getting all the stuff I can sell to Duke. Oh, little zip line. Hold on. Gosh, we're frickin'. This is frickin' it, bro. And we go. Oh my gosh, third mask. Mask of Rage. Climb down the ladder. Music's all like scary and stuff. Is Lady D gonna come up here and have like a fun time? I need to find a way to kill that third sister. I don't want to deal with any more of those jump scares, man. Those are bad.
It was cold, wasn't it, Daniela?
What's up?
I've expanded my...
It was cold. Wasn't it, Daniela?
Hold on, I want to try something.
Are you finished?
She just eats it, bro. That's horrible. Alright, this is a room that I forgot to explore when I got access to this area. Wait. Oh, and this is the final mask, dude! Let's frickin' go. Let's frickin' go. This is what I'm talking about. Silver ring. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for. Wait a minute. This is like a new area. What is this? Oh, the armory. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I was worried my sisters had gotten to you first.
Alright, prepare yourself, prepare yourself.
You've ruined the hunt!
Oh my gosh, you're feeling it. You're feeling it. You're feeling it.
No! No! It's a lie!
Nope. Biggie W's up! Ow, you hurt me a little bit.
Done! You will not get away! You're my prey!
Crazy witch.
Bang! Come on, bro. Oh my gosh, and they just give me. Oh my gosh. Crystal Torso. Big ol' frickin' goodies in my name. Lockpick. Gosh, man, it's just goodies galore. Goodies galore for me. All right, now we put that last mask on and we get it the frick out of here, bro. Let's go. Big stuff. Big stuff. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Yo, what's the deal?
Okay, I should be able to get out with these.
That's what I'm freaking talking about, man. Shout out puzzles, man. Shout out puzzles. Yeah, Lady D, just go downstairs. There's something. Or actually, Bart. Okay, you listen to the first thing I said. I was gonna say. Okay, yeah, just walk down there. See where you're gonna go. See where you're gonna go. I know you're blind. You can't see me.
The entire bloodline of House Domitresk is done in by the likes of you.
Holy crap! That's sorry as a fart, bro. You just quit, bro. Holy, y'all see that? Come on. Holy, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Yup. Yup. Open the door, bro. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? All right, let's go. She's not coming through these doors, right? Let's go. Let's go. Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Genius. Genius. We're in the church. Oh, is this gonna be the dead man's treasure worth like 3 trillion points? Y'all remember that thing we read about the knife? Oh.
You've ruined everything!
Hey, hey. Ethan, we could have gone for like a... Ethan. Ethan, I think we made a mistake by not going for the neck.
Looks like your outside matches your inside. Such a witch.
You're finished!
Yeah, okay. That little pipe bomb. Where's she at? Where's she at? I got the sniper now, bro. I got 50 stinking bullets. Come on. Where's she at? Where's she at? Bro, there's no way I win this, man. Bro.
Dare you talk about saving?
We gotta get the knife, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We gotta get the knife, bro. We gotta get the stinking knife. We gotta get the knife. Where's the knife at? That's like the only way we're gonna be able to do this, no? Dang it, bro. Bro, how much more of this do I have to do? You cannot take my daughter, bro. That's like, she came out of me, bro. Oh. Or partially. She came out of Mia, but... You sound like the daughters, bro. They're like, I need you. Where's the knife, bro? Where's... Let's go up, let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. This is true, this is true. She knows exactly what she's talking about.
Don't be shy. Show me your terror.
Oh my gosh, she thinks this is Kovacs, bro. I can't track this.
Time to die. I'll eat you up, every last morsel.
I did that, what, with like 15, ooh, this is it right there. How much?
You're the one who's cursed.
You're not LK, man. You're not the big LK, man. Get out of here, bro. Don't even think about it, EW. What is this? Wait, what is this? Ethan, what did you just do?
Looks like I'm getting out of this place.
Dirty flask. Okay. I was gonna say, I did that with like, gosh, I wasted, that was like 15 bullets, couple of shotgun shells. Nice, man. I'll take it.
Rose.
Where's Rose at? Yeah. Look for Rose. A little game save and then I'll find my daughter. Sweet. Gosh, did that say 81 bullets? Bro, I'm actually freaking stacked up in here, bro. What? No, bro. What am I doing, man? Can I cook this? Can I cook this? Ethan has, I've never seen Ethan eat in any of the movies.
Our boys together as one in reverence. We call on thee within the endless dark to deliver us into fate's hands. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, we await the light at the end.
Right in the neck, man. Come on, man.
And in death, glory to Mother Miranda.
What are we doing, Ethan?
Remember me? I almost died up at that castle.
What are we doing, Ethan?
Tell me, what is going on around here?
How can a man be almost dead?
You get like her?
Question for the wise.
You know what I mean. And I still haven't found Rose.
What is that key
Where
in there?
did Mother Miranda take her?
You're too late. Or maybe almost too late.
Oh, don't you do that with me,
The child
bro.
will be sacrificed, life for life.
What kind of sick medieval shit is
No,
this?
no, don't do that.
She's just a baby.
Looks like the Umbrella
of the
logo.
4 bloodlines may open the path you seek.
Will you please stop talking in riddles?
Yes.
I just want to find my daughter.
It's only a riddle if you don't know the answer.
Bro, this person is very infuriating.
Wait a second. That looks familiar.
What?
Hey, wait!
Here she goes doing this bullcrap, and then she just leaves, and then she'll like come back later and do some more of it. What was this? What was this? Winged key. Very interesting. Very interesting. House Dimitrescu. We did that already. So you're telling me I got 1, 2, 3 more to do? Yo, this is crazy. What do we got now? Yeah, we gotta fight all those other freaking guys. We gotta fight that that ugly-looking guy and that little doll girl, and then the gravity guy. We got so much more we gotta do. Gosh, they loaded this game up. What's this? What is this? Ceremony set. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are they talking about? Yeah, umbrella. Okay. Okay. We're gonna need to find something to put on there eventually. What do we got now? Where are we going now? Oh my. There's like 2 other side entrances though. I like totally missed those. What do we got here? Oh yeah, this is one of the houses. This is one of them. Oh yep, I see it up there.
There you are. I had a feeling you would pop up here.
This dude just teleports, dude.
It was all worthless.
Is that so? I assume you've picked up something of value.
Not sure if it's of value, but...
Yeah, what is this? What is this?
Why, you have your daughter right in your own hands.
What are you saying?
Take a closer look.
What? Rosemary. What? No, don't drop it! Don't drop it!
Seems to contain her head.
No. What?
Rose is...
Don't say another word!
They start disassembling Rose?
This just can't be!
Your daughter's essence is still intact. Her powers are truly unique.
How does this guy know this?
Who could even do this?
She can be saved, you know.
Saved? From this? Are you insane?
There's a house with a red chimney on the western side of the village. Go and seek out the man who lives there. Then we can continue our conversation.
Quit holding out and get to the point.
You don't have to trust my words. But do you have any better options?
I don't think so. What the
Your
frick?
choice. The customer is always right. After all.
You'll pay if I find out this is a lie.
I think he's truthing. I think he's...
Joker.
Find the house with the red chimney. Alrighty, y'all. I think I'm gonna find the... I think I'm gonna find the house with the red chimney in the next episode. I know you guys have been enjoying these super long videos, but now it's probably gonna be a minute before you guys see the next one because I am gonna be in the middle of moving, like I've mentioned gazillion times. But in between that, I'll probably have some shorter games up. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. Make sure to comment your favorite timestamp, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Write down below if you think he's talking to somebody cool. He's saying something. He said, oh my gosh! It's the guy. Hey, sir. Sorry, I get nervous. No, I know. I've been taking photos like that for years, bro. You don't even have to worry. No, he's like running. Warning, this game is awesome, and you are going to play it when you load up the game, and it's... Okay. When was the last time you took a photo of something? Maybe yesterday, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Well, today we're gonna be taking photos of people, and something's gonna be wrong with these people. At least I think. I don't really know how the game works yet. Hello everybody, my name is 3FS. Welcome to Photo Anomaly, a horror game where ghosts are hiding inside pictures and people and you gotta differentiate between the two. Let's not waste more time, let's press that new game button. This game automatically will want you to have a good day. Okay, let's go with me, bro. No, day 14. Turn on the fuse box in the back alley. The power must be out again. I should reset the fuse from the back alley. What? What? Goodness, what freaking time is it? Well, it's 3 p.m. for me. I wonder what time it is for this guy. Turn the fuse box in the back alley. Wait a minute, do I live in my store? Oh, freaking genius, bro. And the back room's wallpaper, man. Get out, lad. Come on. Okay. Free candy. Nah. You made fool a 4-year-old, not me. Bang. Now, if that said free Wagyu beef, this video would be going very differently at this current moment. I should clean up before opening the shop. All right, bro. Clean up. All right, this place looks fine, bro. Grab a broom and have fun. Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Grab a broom and clean the stains on the floor. What stains? That's not even bad, bro. Nobody's gonna freaking notice that. Dude, see, I'm getting to that age now where I've played so many of these games where it's just like, all right, do this task, do this task, do this task. I almost don't even want to play the game because of that, bro. Open the shop. All right, let me put the broom back. All right, fair enough. Come on in, everybody. Gosh. All right, let's turn on the stinking lights. Goodness. Couldn't see a gosh darn thing. What the frick is this? Oh, this is where I take photos. Hold on, let me close the door. Lock. Goodness. Big industrial door strength. What's up, dude? No stinking way, bro. This gotta be me, bro. Who else has got posture like this, bro? What's up, bro? I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting for a long time for the shop to reopen. I want a photo where I look handsome. See, now, if this was real life, you gotta start gassing the dude up. He's like, nah, man, you just want a normal photo because you always look handsome. Bang. Come on, bro. And then he's gonna like tip me like $20 freaking. That'll buy lunch. Actually, nowadays that'll buy like half a lunch. I got you, bro. What do you need? Oh, he's just going straight in there. Format, landscape, print size, 340, print count, 3 trillion. Okay, let's get it. Where's my camera at? Oh, shoot, man. I must be lucky today. When I was a kid, my dad never wanted me to go in this room. Who could be inside? What the frick? Alright, bro. Oh! Okay. Jump scared by a tutorial. To take a valid customer photo, stand on the marked spot and shoot while in the camera mode with the correct rotation. If you're taking camera valid in the photo, the green icon will appear on the right. Okay. Okay, so my camera's gonna tell me if I'm doing a good job. I must be a crappy photographer. Okay. Alright, dude. Alright, now to be quite honest, this is the worst photo of anybody you could ever take. The lighting stinks, my lights are freaking broken in here. Somehow the light's blinking over there and the light's right here. Do I have a suit I can put him in, bro? Cause this is egregious. He's not even smiling. Say cranberry juice. See? It was bogus. Do I gotta get closer? Oh, did I scare you guys? Sorry. Is this stinking Messi? This looks exactly like Messi. Nope. Oh! Come on, where you going? Hey, man. One photo and he's out, bro. That picture had him stressing. To transfer the photos to the computer, interact with the PC while holding the camera. Hold the envelope, interact with the photos. Okay. Alright, interact with the PC while holding the camera. No. Camera connected, new photos detected. Do you want to start transfer? Yes. I thought it was gonna start spitting like a little poem. Okay, photos. Oh! We gotta get rid of that middle one, bro. This would be like the photo you put on your wall. This would be what you use on like a YouTube thumbnail. You know what I mean? Okay. Print. Size 3x4. Copies. Well, you need 3 of them. You thought he hit 2 and he's like, alright, that's good. Bang. Gosh, thinking easy as a butt cheek, bro. Oh! Dude, I think he walks in the gym and only hits back. That's crazy, bro. You gotta get that fixed. Got the photo. Now, is this all 3? No. Oh, wait a minute. Yep. 3 photos. Envelope. What the frick am I doing? Why do you do it? Okay, there we freaking go. Here you go, bro. Sorry about that. When I went to bed, I forgot how to do my whole job. Bro, take them. Just quit looking at me, bro. Kick out the store. All right, dude. There you go. There's your photos. Is that a Minecraft villager? It's getting hot in here, bro. Go ahead. Take them. Bro, here you go. take them. They're yours. What, does he have to give me money first? Probably. Oh, let me just like try to slide him in his pocket. Hold on. So he clearly doesn't want to pick them up. Let me put them in his pocket. Okay. Okay. Oh! Alright. Bro, that's actually gonna tick me off. No. Within Buddy Living, bro, I clicked on his face and it didn't do that the first time. There, how much money did I get, though? How much money was that? How much money was that? Okay, just don't tell me. Alright, that's cool. Yeah. Alright, wait, actually, you know, great way to find out. Let's go to this thing's store. 39 bucks for 3 photos? What a deal, what a deal. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm good on envelopes. I don't need frames, I don't give a fart about that. I want pictures of my customers in my store. It's a little odd. Hold on, who just walked in? Hi, ma'am. I'm applying for a passport. Can you take the proper photo for it? You've come to the best shop in town. There's like a dude across the street named like Photo Bobby. He's like taking the best photos. No, me now. All right, ma'am. Sit down. Yes. Oh my gosh. Bro, she's low-key mogging on me, bro. Chill, bro. Might have to turn my face cam off. Get mogged right now. Wait, I gotta do the same thing, like get up and close? This makes sense for a passport photo. Oh! Wait, what are the requirements? Portrait. Oh, yeah. There we go. Can I not? There we go. Oh, look. No. Look. Boom. Gonna do a little print. Do I have a Bluetooth camera? I didn't even know they made those. All right, let's delete that. Set as. Oh! No! That's weird as frick, bro. Oh, gosh darn it. Hold on. There we go. Gosh, bro. Hashtag weirdo mode, bro. Do y'all think I should scam her? Should I scam her? Oh, okay, I won't. Alright. Oh, gosh, man, that electric bill's speaking to me. Telepathically saying, pay me. Print. Okay, what, 2x3? 5 of them? You getting 5 passports? Holy moly. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello? Somebody messing with my water supply? Okay. Sorry about that, ma'am. Sorry about the delay. Gosh, I'm so stinking good at this, bro. Here you go. Appreciate y'all. How much money did you give me? Ooh! Bro. Oh my gosh, if I was like 2 years younger, I'd been freaking tweaking out. Half y'all to come straight up. Where's the power? This freaking messing with me. This freaking Lego beef! I just turned off one of my lights. Yo, what the frick? We broke his jump scare. He started talking about food. What's going on, bro? Bro. My light turned back on. Thank you, man. And this guy's over here. What do you want? Tell me. Who is this dude? They printed a photo of me where I look awful on my missing person poster. I want you to take a better one. Okay, this guy thinks 2 + 2 adds up to 3. Okay. Hey, if you got the money to pay, bro, it's all yours. Oh. Gosh, bro. I haven't seen this much alcohol consumption in a single human in 5 years, bro. Yo, sit down! Alright, bro. I'm just gonna take the most bullcrap photo of this guy. This guy doesn't even know up from down right now. Oh, it's like giving me requirements? Bro, chill, bro. You have fun, bro. I'm not going in there. Smells like pinto beans. All right, I got you, dude. Hold on. Why is he like Loki chilling in the photo? He's like, you can't even tell he's drunk in the photo. Darn it. Wrong button. 4x6. Oh, he wants some big poster size.
Gosh darn near gigantic.
Start. I have a feeling I'm gonna get scammed. If I do, all right, here's what I'm gonna do. If he doesn't put money on the desk, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close that door and beat him up till he doesn't understand English anymore. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey man, you go out to those missing persons you go out to the posters and make them look good, bro. Poter. Farted. Okay. Here you go, dude. Genius. Can I get the door for you? Oh, seems like you got it, alright. Maybe that's just how he is, man. Remember, you never know. Some people really just like to walk. Sometimes. Oh, that's my water. What's up, dude? What can I do for you today, kind sir? Wait a minute. Now, sir, I'm so sorry for the delay, but the store is screaming my name. Let's see how much money I got. 89 stinking dollars. What should I buy?
Gotta buy that nice background, bro.
Okay. Good idea. Good idea. Now, is it insta arrival? 1 second, sir. Let me go check.
Now you're good, bro. Don't even worry about it.
Yes. Yes, it is. Gotta give you the premium experience. Sorry for the delay. Let's go. I'm releasing a new album. Take my photo while I pose for the album cover. Okay, bro. What kind of genre are we talking? What kind of music you make?
That music that makes you want to beat people up, man. Look. Come on, bro. Don't even mess around, bro. It's that real stuff, bro.
He wants landscape 3x4. Gosh, yeah, no, it's tough, bro. It's tough, bro. You're looking good. Looking good. Wait a minute. Hold on. So, okay, sorry, that's something else. Something else took the photo. Bang, bro. Looking crazy. Wants 4 3x4s. You have a phenomenal day. No, I know. August 14th, I know. It's coming. I got you. How much money we got now? I'm just getting all the sting goodies. I gotta get the softbox lighting. Now keep in mind though, if I run out, how much ink do I have? How much ink do I have? Who's this? Oh, let's see. I have 4 paper left. What the frick? Paper 15 bucks? Yeah, I'll do it. Paper deliveries. You can pick up delivered orders from the delivery pallet in the back alley. Okay. Hold on, I think it's already here. Oh my gosh. Oh my stick. Already here. Let's frickin' go, bro. His arms gotta be tired, bro. You can put him down. No pressure. Okay, alright, hold on. What can I do for you, sir?
I need to get a photo taken that I can use for a job application.
Okay. Job application? I have a feeling that's due to self-employed. Put your stinking arms down, bro! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Hey. Missing. Wait, the person I took the photo is missing. How? Where did he go? Who took him? Let me turn the power back on. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Let me turn the power back on. Somebody's always freaking messing with my power! Hey, ma'am. You know, aren't you looking jolly? Have you ever seen a clown before? Well, I know, but there was one that just came to the store. He's like stealing my freaking photos. Like wasting all his photos, this freaking guy. He turns off my power. Isn't that crazy? Okay. My friends at school claim I do not show up in photos. I need a photo as proof to them. If you had an iPhone, that'd be a pretty quick way to do it yourself. All right, let's test it. All right, go ahead, sit down. I got you. Ooh, get it, girl. Let's go. All right, let's see if it works. Don't show up in photos. Huh? You're a funny trickster. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Is she lying, everybody? Let's see. You're right here. I can see you clear as day. Clear as day. What's up, hey? Print. 4x6. 2 of them. Genius. Now what are you gonna do? Disappear in real life? Oh, that's gonna be funny. That's just gonna be great, isn't it? All right. Steve's losing it. I can order envelopes using the store on the computer. Wow, I would have never guessed. Okay. Here you go, ma'am. Oh my gosh, how much money I get? Do I need more envelopes? 44 bucks. How many envelopes do I have? I'm out. Appreciate you, sir. You know what I think it is? Free Candyman also have free envelopes, free paper man, but it's not free. I got paid on the store. You know what I mean? Oh, for a second I thought this dude had no shirt. Oh, he doesn't have a shirt. Hey man, I have the refright to few surfaces. Any? Get out. Now. Hello?
I miss my wife so much. I want to take a photo of her. If we reunite someday, I want to give it to her.
Whatever life you had with her, you seem much happier right now, bro. Alright, bro. Oh, maybe he's like sad and happy at the same time? Put a shirt on, bro! Oh my gosh. Got a stinking belly button, his little buddies in the picture. Dude, ew! Ew! Alright, let's get it. Yo, you guys would never catch me walking into a picture shop with no shirt on. Alright, just give me 1 second, bro. You want a 2x3? Yo. Oh my gosh, how kind. His wife's not...
What is it? Something wrong with the photo?
Alright, why are my dialogue options, like, not addressing the... There's not even an elephant in the room, it's just the human in the room. Yes, I can see a woman. I was gonna say how kind of his wife to sneak through the door while I'm taking his photo and sneak in there with him.
Saying things out loud can be a problem for some people.
I thought you guys might like seeing this picture of Toaster Strudel instead of seeing the jump scare. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys liked it. Okay, we can resume the video.
Alright, let's close the shop. Let's go sleep. I'm gonna turn off the lights. It's crazy. We live in we live in Permanite Land. Day 200. We live in Permanite Land. The sun's just never out. Alright, everybody, come in. Oh my gosh, there's gotta be like a wiener on his face or something. They're censoring it for me. Thank you, game. Hello? Don't ask questions. Just listen. I know what you saw last night. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. No. I think you're lying. Go ahead and tell. The previous owner, your father worked with us. Now it's your turn. No. There has to be some dollar signs involved, bro. I cannot do this for free, unfortunately. Take this key in this film roll. I'll be back to collect the printed results. Don't mention me or what we talked about to anyone. We'll meet again soon. What? What is this? How do I view this film roll? What is he doing? Wait, what did he do? Did he flip the sign and flipped it back over? It still says open on the outside. But a key. One second, dude. I gotta check something out. Bro. Interact with the cutting station until the film roll is used to produce photos in the negative form. Place the negative photos into the developer's stop bath in the fixture solution order, then wait for the process to finish. Okay. Hang the photos you take from the fixture on the drying rack to dry. What are we taking photos of, bro? Nah, chill. That's just my buddy Roman. Once dry, you can collect the photos and put them into an envelope. Evil room, bro. How you doing, sir?
I need to renew my ID. Can you take my photo in the correct size?
Nah, bro, I can't do that, bro. Alright, he said the correct size, 2x3. What the frick is he doing? My gosh, bro, he's got the world's longest femurs sitting right on the edge. I'm surprised the stool fell over, bust his butt cheeks on the floor. Couldn't give a frick, bro. My type of guy. What's up, man? He wants 6 photos for some frickin' reason. He's gonna get 6 driver's licenses. Now, I need to get the softbox. The softbox is gonna be so OP. Everybody's gonna be coming into my store after that. Let's do... Actually, I want to save that one as evidence just in case things get bad. Delete. Okay. 6, 2x3. Here you go, dude. Appreciate y'all. How much money? Go to the store! $57. Nice. Alright, not too many people now. Come on, guys. Come on, chill on the line outside the door, you guys. Chill. Alright, now what do I need to... Oh. How's it going, ma'am? I took some photos for my New Year planner. Can you develop them? Yes, I stinking can. Hand them over. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I didn't know it was the film roll I had to do this with. I thought they were gonna hand me photos. Hold on. I'll do yours first, and then I'll do the ones that I got second. Okay. So it says developer 10 seconds. Okay, I thought they were gonna make me count 10 seconds, but I'd look over my OBS and just count 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds.
Can you hurry the frick up, please?
1 second, man. 1 second. I got a lot more photos to do. 10 more seconds, man, for this first photo. Genius. Can I stack them all up? Can I do multiple at one time? I can't, bro. Okay. Yeah, let me start doing multiple at once. Oh my gosh, it's like Roblox Tycoon, bro. It's like a Roblox Tycoon. Oh, I gotta let them dry out. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Give me 1 second, man. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the most important step. I almost sold her wet pictures. I mean, hey, if you wanted that, you could have it. But I hope you'd want them dry. It's 1, 2, 3. You frickin' know it. Here you go, ma'am. You have a great night. How much? That has to be lucrative money I just got. 80 bucks. My finger slipped. Frickin' go. Can I turn off the light in here and get... Oh, ultra, man. Ultra mode, bro. Ultra man. They call me Photo Boy. All right, let's start on these ones over here. Put you right there. I can just leave these up there, but I want to look at them. Oh, I saw like a baby on there. Oh, wait, what is this one? Oh my gosh, the grandma's missing from the photo. Oh, somebody go. Oh, whoa, what is that? Man, you gotta look at these, bro. There's some bull crap going on in these photos. Hey, yeah, you chill out. Dude, my whole mic stand is broken, bro. My setup's coming apart right before I move, bro. It's horrible. There's like the chair, the headphones, the microphone, my computer's next, bro. That was last summer when I got hacked. So, okay, I'm good there. It already happened. Let's see this. Ew, dude. Who put those stupid clothes on that little baby? He's screaming to have them off. Take them off. You gotta see this one, bro. That freaking baby on there. That thing's crazy. No, see. Oh, sorry. No, view it. View it. That's where the grandma went, bro. No, I know. I know there's a can in that photo. Look, there she is. My gosh, man. What's this last one? Ah, my gosh. Somebody threw a frisbee. Look. Check this out, bro. I've never seen this frisbee before, bro. Isn't that crazy? Oh, we just cared all. The photos I take of myself look terrible. Can you take a good one? Simple request, simple answer. You came to the best spot in town. Let's go to the freaking room, bro. Come on. Hey, quit controlling my power. Gosh, he's like sitting there like, oh, okay. Nah, bro. You're lying, bro. You must be lying over there. You know what I gotta say? You had to be lying to me on that counter, bro. Landscape 3x4, 5. Oh my gosh. Look at this, man. You thought this Michael Jackson. Back up.
Bro, how'd it turn out? It look good? Yeah. Okay there, swaggy boy. Go to the swaggy table with your swaggy walk. Gosh, I'll beat you to a pulp if you ever do some crap like that ever again. Transfer completed. How many freaking what? People always want. Can nobody just have one photo and be happy? What do I even do with these photos? Quit messing with my power! Bro, he's messing with my power and my water supply, bro. He's swaggy boy. I'm a swaggy boy. Alright, here you go, dude. Oh my gosh. Load me up. How much is it? $26? Oh, no. To be fair, I drained myself all the way down to like 5 last time. Okay. Quit all that yelling! Dude wasn't even laughing out there, he's just yelling. Alright, come on. What do you need, Joe? What do you need? Listen, kid, they say I need to put a profile photo on that Zuckbook thing. Take one for me. Yeah, okay, you'll get your Zuck. He's got the Zuck walk, bro. I'll take your photo, Mr. Zuck. That's not. What is going on? Hey, bro, if you want that pose, I'll do the pose, man. Is he wearing socks? You gotta have shoes to be in my store. I'll make an exception. He's tweaking out. Y'all see that? He glitched. He's looking at me. No, I know, they'll eat it up. Eat it up. The Zuckbook people will be a fan. This is actually not even that bad. Alright, bro. A little hips, Yay. Hey, bro. I get it, man. I get it. Sometimes you just gotta have a good day. Yeah, that's all. No. Come on now. Finally! First person to order one photo. You know what you're gonna get for that? A freaking high five. One photo for my big boy right here. Here you go. You have a great day. Come on. Come on, bro. It just legitimately doesn't get any better. Okay, alright. I'm a journalist. We have some new photos. They need to be developed without showing anybody. Please tell me and do not call the police.
Hey man, when you come to PhotoFest, you get peak client privacy privilege, alright? See these photos? I'm not gonna tell a soul. Nobody's seeing these photos except me and you, bro. Hey, turn that light back on. Now. Hey, turn my lights back on. Gotta chill out, man. Gosh, okay, see here at PhotoFest, we like to play pranks on each other all the time, man. We got such a great work environment.
Hey man, like I said, bro, don't tell anybody about this, okay?
No, I know, not a soul. I know. Not a soul, man. You know how they got attorney-client privilege? You got boss man privilege. Oh, this last one can't be much worse. Oh my gosh, what do I do? Sir? Like I said, FS Photoshop client privilege. That's all you needed to say, man. You have a great day. Gosh, I think that might be my favorite customer yet. How's it going, man?
Dear, I do not have any color photos. I do not have any color photos. Can you take a color photo of me? For sure.
Bang. Genius. It's gonna be full of color. What, you want 3 of them? Okay, 4x6. Okay. Oh my. Her daughter snuck in the photo. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm feeling very well. Did we turn out that bad? We? She knows about it. She's gone. Okay, I must be thinking, man. It's got to be like 6 days since I've had some water. Take a little sip, take a little food. I haven't eaten any food since I started the game, man. That's like why I'm tweaking out. 4x6, 1, 2, 3. Here you go, man. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, what did that say? I think I should close the shop and get some sleep. Okay. Close. Day 3. Back again. No alarm clock. Hello? What's up? Am I just up in the middle of the night? What's up? Where'd my bathroom go? They stole my bathroom, bro. I must have not paid any bills. Wait a minute. This isn't my Photoshop. Hey! Let me out! It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream. Who's that? The CIA. He doesn't know I'm watching him. Who's he talking to? Write down below if you think he's talking to somebody cool. He's saying something. He said, Bro, I pressed escape right as a jump scare, man. I thought my game crashed. Day 300. Really? I said we can't keep doing this. I must have been moving crazy in my sleep. She was having a show, entertainment show. Hey, whatever keeps the work environment positive. Am I right? There's nobody in the bed. You could. Okay. No. If you want to stay in there. Go ahead. Open the shop. Oh my gosh! It's the guy. He said it to close. Oh, I see. What if I set it to open? Can't do it. Hey, sir. Sorry, I get nervous when talking to people of high status. I'm here to pick up the photos from the film roll I gave you yesterday. Here you go. Are you just gonna take them and gonna pay me? Not bad. We can move on to the next stage. We installed special cameras around the shop. Check them from your computer during the shift. If you spot something abnormal, go there, photograph it, then transfer it to the PC and report it. No mistakes. We'll meet again soon. No money! Sir, next time you come in here, you might not walk out. That's all I gotta say. It's getting hot in here. Cameras? Wait a minute. Five Nights at Photos? Okay, so I'm invisible. Yeah, let's get an outside camera going. Yeah. How's it going, sir? I took some photos over the weekend and transferred them to a USB drive. Could I get one print of each? You got it, bro. USB drive? Do I have perms for this? Oh, okay, apparently so. See, what first normal dude to walk in the shop, man. He said what, alright, one of each. Okay, easy, bro. I should probably buy some more paper while I'm at it. Hold on. Oh, wait, did I have leftover paper in here? No, I didn't. Okay, cool. Oh, we gotta take the trash out? Oh my gosh. Bro, when bro has to do tasks? Who's a jump scare in my freaking shoulder? Bang. Here you go, bro. Appreciate ya. Let's check the security cameras, make sure nobody's gonna do this. No. Okay, everything's normal. Hey, man. I can buy frames. Now, what do I do? E-placement. Oh my gosh. Right there. Ah, okay, I can't give her a free one. Right there. Nice. Hey man, what can I do for you? I want a photo of the pose. Used to be on hospital walls. Like, you're gonna do like one of these? Okay. The pose. But why is that gonna be like tough? Wait, why is that gonna be tough? Is she gonna do it? Oh my gosh, that's crazy, bro. Dude, why is she tough? She's tough. Bro, she's tough with it, bro. That might be the favorite photo I ever took, bro. That might be the photo. You know what I mean? That might be the photo. Frickin' print that photo. Go ahead, print it. Gosh, she's gonna give them out to like her 5 favorite coworkers. Frickin' tough, bro. Friggin' lady, bro. How much is that gonna be? Friggin' money. Here we go. It's about time I got some upgrades in the house, bro. Let's go. About time, bro. Place look. Hey. I met a girl online. She asked for a full body photo of me. I hope you can take it. Yeah. Lord have mercy. Full body photo? Full body photo? Hey, I have a feeling that the girl you're talking to, one of two things. Either she's gonna love it or she's gonna hate it. Girls be liking tall guys, bro. I can't. Hey, you want 3 of them? Alright, yeah, I can give you 3. I can give you 3. Okay, photos. Okay, come on. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Alright, oh my gosh. Gosh, what are the odds that I'm just not looking at the door right as he walks in? I wouldn't want to see that guy walking at night. Let's shut the camera. Let's see what's going on. They gave me the cameras for a reason. I think everything's looking... Hey. Hey. She keeps freaking disappearing. What's she doing there? Hey, no. 1 second, sir. Or ma'am, sorry. Okay. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy. Sorry, ma'am. I'm just having a little bit of difficulties with my staff.
Psst, handsome. Take a hot photo of me.
Okay, no. Chill out with that voice line. Come on.
I'm gonna let you take the photos for free if you keep talking to me like that. Come on.
No. You want 6 of them? Okay. Okay. 4x6. You want them in the biggest quality? Okay. Wait a minute. I think day by day this picture's becoming clearer and clearer and clearer. Minecraft, when you go from a 16x16 to a 32x32 to a 64x64 texture pack, man. Here you go, ma'am. Did she love me up? Did she love me up? Oh! I'm gonna take a wild guess from where you just came from. Does it start with B and end with rooms? No, I know. I've been taking photos like that for years, bro. You don't even have to worry. No, he's like running. Stay in character. Stay in character, everybody. No, I know what to do with this. I know what to do with this. They did not, bro. No, you stay right there. You stay right there. Got the note on her. No photos. No photos. You stay right there. You stay right frickin' there. You stay right frickin' there. Okay. Can't look through walls. What is this? Bullcrap. No! You wanna get on the ladder? One more piece. Stop it. Bang! Come on! Stay in character. Crap, bro. Pitfalls. Did my ladder progress get saved? Oh my gosh, I have to do the whole thing again, bro. There it is. Come on now. Bart! There's $1 million this way. Bro started running. Bro ran immediately. Let's frickin' go. Bro used his head and figured the solution out. Character's gosh darn near defying gravity. Let's go. Take a picture. Was that not what I was supposed to do? Okay, wait, hold on. Frozen in time. That one Spy Kids movie. Let's frickin' go, bro. Oh, wait, it pauses there. Genius. It's an interesting backrooms entity. I've never seen this one. Wait a minute. How does it work? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out the right one. There it is. There it is. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my gosh. It's like the Roblox game. This one? Nope. This one? Walk across. Nope. Darn it! Keep going across. Level 2, level 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Up 2, then right 1. Then straight! Up 2, then right 1. 2. I'm gonna draw an S. Bro, I might be the best geoguesser of all time. Geoguesser, what bro playing? Oh my gosh. Straight. Darn it. I forgot. Holy crap! Don't you move an inch. Let's go. Genius. Back. I got photo evidence of that crap now. I should close up the shop and get some sleep. Sleep. Let's go, man. What a phenomenal play. What? This is like what freaking game mode is this? It's the FNAF game mode in FNAF 6. This is freaking crazy. What the frick is going on? Bro, I have goosebumps. What the frick is going on? There he is. Bro, that is freaking crazy, bro. Dude, I got goosebumps. What the frick? Turn off. That is crazy. That is crazy. What a game mode. That had me jiggling my body, man. When bro playing games make body jiggle? What in the world? This freaking guy, bro. Like I said, you might not walk out today. Be careful what your words say today. You can see my dad now. You didn't report enough anomalies yesterday. Don't let it happen again. I forgot. I'm sorry, okay? New photos came in. Print them like last time. I'll be back tomorrow to collect them. How about you stick the photos? Your daily quotas increase, so don't forget to check the cameras often. Frick off, bro! I'll turn you into a memory in Texas, bro. Here we go with this bullcrap. Yeah, check the cameras, bro. Check the cameras while I'm doing my job. Yeah, check the cameras. How do I report an anomaly? Oh. Night vision mode? Hey. 1 second, sir. I'll be right with you. I gotta do the bullcrap of the photos for the mask guy. I can't see his face. Now, let's see what we got. Oh. Yeah. No, yeah. When your friend starts taking evil pictures. Okay. No, I think that's my favorite one. What if I throw him away? Against that freaking guy? Hold on, wait, does the blinking light mean anomaly? Let's see. Alright, bro, whatever the frig is going on in here. How do I report the anomaly? Cam red. Oh! Wait a minute, take a picture of it. There we go. Gosh, when my brain is starting to work and stuff. Gosh, what a phenomenal thing that is. Okay, I've had this dude waiting at this desk for like 40 hours real time. Sorry. My man, take a charismatic photo of me and let our reputation grow. Hey, whatever you say, bro. Whatever you say, bro. But you're the customer. It's my wish. It's my wish to take a photo of you. All right. Let our reputation grow, or whatever he said, bro. No! No! What? Alright, bro, whatever you say, bro. Wait a minute. I gave him the picture of the horse. He's gonna open it when he gets home. He's gonna be like, what the frick is this? Play this bullcrap security game. He's like, spot the anomalies, bro. I should punch you in your throat, bro. I should punch you so hard you freaking start seeing things. Oh, what is that over there? Is it my man? What's up, man? I never had a photo taken before. I'm curious. This will be my first. Hey, bro. It's 2026, bro. I'd be surprised. You're probably lying. Okay, based on those shorts, he's probably telling the truth. Now, does he want landscape? No, portrait. What is that noise? Is that anomaly noise? Oh, it is. Wow. Okay. That's what the blink. Oh my gosh, the blinking lights. They stole that from the other games. Wait. Wait, where's that at? Did I get it? I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. It didn't give me a notification though. All right, I'm gonna give you the photo, dude. All right, man. All right. Oh, I did capture it. Okay. Print. What do you want? 8 of them? Who thinks I'm made of paper? What the frick? I ought to give you a concussion for free. Come on, bro. Suck it up on my paper. Suck it up on my envelopes. Frick this guy. I need to order more envelopes because it's dingus. Sucking up all my utilities. Gosh, man. 8 of them? You better be loading me up crazy style. What'd I spend? Okay, 40. Bro, that's crazy. I think he just gave me like $20. That's crazy. No, continue the game, please. What's up? All right, let's see. Yeah, I knew it. I knew they were gonna give me an anomaly. Where's it at? Where's it at? I'll be with you 1 second, sir. Andy. Mr. Evil walked in my shop. I worked with your father before. I hope you're as good as he was. I need some document prints. Can you print them from this USB? It's like how people are like dying and stuff. Yeah, sure, I got you, bro. The SpaceX stream is starting up in a couple seconds, guys. Just wait. Man, come on, man. Only OG viewers remember. MicroStrategy, yes, bro. Brings me back. What want me to do? Turn on the power? Yeah, frick this guy. I really hate when the game makes you go outside. That frickin' sucks. Wait, what is that photo? Men in Black. They erased his memory. What did he know? What did he know? Perfect. You're the perfect person to show this. You're the perfect person to show this to. This neighborhood safety is my job. How are things going? I don't feel safe, dude. Glad to hear there's no trouble. I need a photo taken of the new police posters. They're for the new police. All right, bro. Watch. He's gonna get on the stool. He's gonna do some straight bull crap, bro. He's gonna do some straight bull crap. Or not. Or not, bro. He's keeping it freaking classy. He's walking around like a big hunk of a guy. Bro ate a burrito right before this. How many does he want for the posters? 4? Okay, that's normal. That's normal. I would've beat the crap out of this guy if he said anything more than like 5. Another anomaly. Another anomaly. Where's it at? Dude, frickin' pooping on my toilet on the computer. Nah. Give it back right now. You just wait 1 second, officer. Somebody's doing something. Dad? Hey, can't you see the doors closed? Wait, what? I thought this was a public restroom. Anyway, I'm done already, thanks. Dude, watch the big fat old poop come out of his freaking butt. Swallowing up. Yo! He actually dropped a freaking big old deuce. Dude, this is like this is a premium load. No way. I can't look at that, bro. Officer, there has been a crime committed in that bathroom. Officer. Give me that stinking camera. I'm catching you this time. Can't have the glasses man come back and erase my memory. Wiener. Did I catch it? Did I catch it? No, the light's still blinking. Did I catch it though? I did. There another anomaly? There's the anomaly in that bathroom. I'll tell you that, bro. All right, gosh, I got all these stinking photos. I got evil photo. I got like an evil photo of the deuce in the freaking toilet. Then we got freaking Mr. Tough right here. 4 of them. Yeah, sorry, sir. Sorry it took so long. He's waiting over there like, okay, show, bro. Been waiting here for a minute. Here you go. If you need anything, I'll be on duty at the corner all night. Step out and call for me. I'll remember that, bro. I'll remember that. I forgot about this. I need to frame this so we can see it. Sorry, guy. I gotta do this for now. See if there's anomalies. See if there's anomalies. What the frick is that? Something in my washer. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. There's something in my washing room. Something in my washer, bro. I like how they include that mechanic from the other games where you usually have to take a picture to capture the anomalies. That's crazy. Mismo! What the frick is Eddie's cat doing in the game? What the fart? Report. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Good frickin' eyes, man. I just didn't even see that. Yikes, man. You guys are probably yelling at the screen. What's this? Don't semi-pointless. All right. Oh, gosh. I just said evil background, bro. Evil background. Okay, send that one. Anomaly reported. What is he gonna say back? Is he like, oh, that's crazy. Good catch. This evidence will do a report. I didn't even know that was an option. I thought he was gonna come in and like collect it. And then I got this one from the beginning. But that's like a pinata. That's not even bad. Good, this evidence will do. I gotta do 4 of them? No, let's see. I have a feeling this one's gonna be pointless, but at the same time I don't. It's gonna be pointless, isn't it? Ooh, no, that works. Okay, I'll take it. Sorry for the wait, sir. What can I do for you? Hi, I took some photos for a house I'm selling. Could I get the prints of them? Yes, sir. Oh, no. No, I'm moving. No, yeah, bro, I'm moving in next week.
You saying like the house is like ugly like
This, no, the house. No, I was joking. The house is beautiful, sir. The house is beautiful, sir. No, it's a beautiful house. Beautiful house. The client, your tenant, the lover, poop straight from a butt. Bro found an abandoned. Maybe he's a explorer, what they call it. Maybe he's like LARPing as a realtor. All right, I'll check for anomalies. Check for anomalies. Call for help. Call for help. Call for help. No, yeah. Hey, no! Somebody's breaking in right now. That should work. Get him! They get. Hey, we saw someone running in the back alley. I think he bolted when he saw us. You seem safe for now. Still, don't forget to lock your door. All right, don't chase him. Don't chase him. Yeah, don't chase him. I should close the shop and get some sleep. Good idea, bro. Oh my. Gosh, what a day. What an eventful day. Good and bad. I didn't find 4 anomalies. This is so bad. Oh, here we go with this freaking dream crap again, bro. I wonder what was my dad doing? I need a screwdriver. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, I love how interactive this game is. This is so dope. What was that noise? Somebody crawling in the vents? Hello? What is he doing with my dad? Wait a minute, I can see his face. Who is that? What is that? The memory eraser. Gone. Oh, good move. Didn't get me, let's go. Oh! No emotion on his face. Light work, no reaction. Fooled. Day 500. Dude, come in there, collect these photos, and gonna beat my freaking butt because I only got 3 out of the 4 anomalies. I'm gonna beat him up. He's never walking out of here ever again. Photos clear as day now. I can see my dad. I'm like remembering now because my memories come back, I think. I don't know, I may be insisting. He's coming in, yeah, he's coming in. Ah, I saw your face, buddy. I saw your face. I know what you look like, huh? Yeah, I did.
I'm here to pick up the photos from the film roll I gave you yesterday.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna start eating them in front of him. Frickin' guy. Frickin' loser. Bet you go home to a happy wife every night, yeah? No, I'm joking. Here you go.
Great, you're even better at this than your father. Either way, today's your last chance. I want you to fill your anomaly quota. If you succeed today, you'll be rewarded.
Yeah, better bring a nice ice cold pop in this frickin' place, bro. Just punch him in his frickin' backside, bro. Just go crashing through that glass door. I just can't wait for it, bro. I can't wait for it. What's Joe Bart doing in the store, bro? We got Joe Bartolozzi in my store, bro.
You've got what you need. Let's get this done.
All right, bro. All right, Joe. Sit down and take a gander at the camera. Oh my gosh. No, comment down below if you knew Joe could do this. Got the perfect shot. I was waiting for you to hit that crazy move. Anomaly. Hold on, Joe. Actually, I'm gonna check him out because it's like world's loudest music ever. There you go, sir. Okay. Now check for anomalies. Check for anomalies. Yep, I hear it. Wait, what? No anomalies. What the frick's going on? This game's full. Genius. Report it. How many I gotta get today? 4. Nice. Good, this will do. Alright. Sup, dude? I took photos of my pet. Could I get a large print of each one? Yeah, you totally can. No! You're lying! You're pulling my leg, bro. No way! What, you own the whole ocean? Oh. Alright. I stand infected. My pet, my friggin' money, man. 164 bucks. I'm loaded up on it today. So, dude. Hey, my guy. People see you're really good at this. Prove it. Get in that room. I'll show you what I'll get in that room. I'll show you what I'm made of. Sit down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Shotgun mode. Watch. He's thinking right now. He's gonna lowball me. 8 of them? What's with the Hey. Whoa. No glasses, eh? Reported. Think you can slip by my system? Yeah. Think again, little boy. Watch. He's gonna give me props in that bottom right corner. Watch. Oh. Word. Nope, another anomaly. I can't believe it. You were right. You're amazing. Wait a second. I thought you worked alone. No, the mannequin. No. I got Jenna. Who's that behind you? Hey! Sneaky, bro. He's not for the sneaky, bro. He's taking for him with no freaking money, man. I beat the crap out of this guy, bro. Nah, he really fooled me. I fell for the oldest trick in the book. And we got this freaking dude in the back, bro. Like, what is he even doing, bro? Staring through the fence? Like, what's going on back here, man? Freaking loser, bro. Can't stand this guy. Where's he at? Right there? Oh, I guess when you have a camera starts a car? 1 second, man. I don't think this is gonna be an anomaly though, because it's just a normal dude. We'll see. Well, I'll be tarnished. How's it going, man?
I tried plugging this into my computer, but I couldn't see the photos inside. Can you fix it?
This isn't a Best Buy. Oh. Man, no. You know what? I'll take care of it. You just count down from 2 minutes. Just count down from 2 minutes. I got you. Somebody open up my door? Here you go, ma'am. Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Do you believe in fate, Neil? I need a photo I can immortalize.
I can't do that immortal part, but I can do the photo part. What you gotta take a poop or something, bro? The bathroom's like right back there, bro. She walking like a zombie. Ma'am, I will immortalize you for 150 bucks. Oh! What the frick? Anomaly, report that sucker. If he doesn't say this is anomaly, I'm gonna delete my channel. I'm gonna delete my channel. Game over, guys. You can't be serious. No, don't report. I'll immortalize you, ma'am. You don't have to worry about it. Oh, she's shapeshifted. Okay, what's going on? Okay, what's going on? Am I seeing things? I could have swore she looked different. Just for you. She got... What? The death card. It represents the end of something, the beginning of something else. Bro gave me trading cards as payment? I'm gonna beat the crap out of this grandma, bro. Okay, get back here. I should close the shop and get some sleep. I could just not find the 4th anomaly. I just can't do it. Alright, hey. He can be mad about not finding the fourth anomaly. What are they gonna do? Wipe my memory? Come on. Gosh, bro, I'm gonna pulverize this guy. Turn this guy into a nice tomato salad. We expected better from you, and I expected better from you. You know what? How about you come behind this counter? Let's make this. No, let's make it happen. You're a disappointment to everyone. No, you're a disappointment to everyone too. You probably took that job because you're a disappointment to your mom. She wanted you to do her homework in the second grade. You couldn't even freaking do it because you're too freaking stupid. Your father was the same. No, go over here. I'll rip you in half. I'll tear you into pieces. Your father was good at his job, but he was an idiot. But he was an idiot who put his family first. That's why we had to cut ties with him. Idiot who put his family first. I don't know if that adds up. Bro, think 2 + 2 = 3. But he knew too much. So he did what had to be done, and his repeated mistakes led him to his own end. He's acting like my dad chose that path of life. He runs a photo store. And now you're walking down the same path. I hope you don't make the same mistakes next time. Until we meet again. Where am I? What is this room? Let's go. What is this? Close it. I know that thing's gonna turn. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay. Do you... When your boy loading up the Twin Hotel game?
Welcome to Twin Hotel Spawn More.
Whoa. Let me select the game, bro. Alright.
Indulge in comfort. Rejuvenate your senses.
Oh!
Experience fine dining.
What's that, egg salad?
Exceptional service.
Back up, bro. Back up.
And more.
Yes, we are all staying at this hotel, bro.
Hey, wanna wishlist our game on Steam?
Yeah, I'll wishlist after I play the game. Welcome to the Stars House Game Center. Congratulations. Congratulations, welcome to the Twin family. As one of our first elevator operators, you'll be helping us prepare for our grand opening. Since the hotel stood under construction, the elevator currently has 2 controls. What, up and down? Closed door and next floor. Ooh. Does one of the floors go to a store? Does the elevator take me down to the core? They asked me to wish list. After this game, I might want some more. Bicycle. We understand that your injury...
Injury?
We understand that your injury makes walking difficult. Don't worry, your role requires no walking. Shoot, man, sounds good with freaking me, bro. Sit right here chilling, bro. Simply remain inside the elevator and operate the lift for our guests throughout your shift. Your task is simple. Operate the elevator. Management. Twin Hotel Spa and more. Thumbs up, another man, them.
What's up, man?
Hey, man. Oh! Hello, everybody. My name is Steer. Welcome to the Twin Hotel Spa and more. Now, before we start this video, I have a couple things I just want to say. For all of you looking forward to Resident Evil 8, that is still coming. I said at the end of my last Ultra Kill video, and I'll say this now, I'm gonna be moving here pretty soon. So if the uploads seem to be decreasing in frequency, just know that after I move, they'll shoot the freaking roof. Gee, I already freaking know, bro. But if I'm a little slower on the upload, slower on the updates, slower on Resident Evil 8, that's why. I just want to give you guys a heads up, communicate with you guys. All right, let's waste some time, start this game. Gosh, it's been a minute since I played a little horror game. It's been, is everything, that's weird, what's going on? Like, oh, okay, all right. Gosh, it's been a minute since I played a little horror game, man. It's been a minute. Which brings me back to playing Five Nights at Freddy's for the first time. Floor un. Close the door, bro. It's gonna kill me, bro. Okay, I'm assuming you could go out of the elevator and take a right. Is this lady just chilling in a lobby? What do you want me to do? Oh, that's what they're talking about, injury, bro. Am I a veteran? Am I in the U.S. Army right now? Shoot, bro. Had enough of that army bullcrap. Let's go. There you go. Which floor you want to go to, ma'am? All right. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Now we can go. Sorry. No, let's forget. All right, here's your stop, ma'am. Have a good time. What's up, Dave? Oh. Okay, he wants to go down, but so he wants to go down. Okay, let's go down. You guys have a good day. You guys know each other in the building? Oh, we gotta go up. Is this your stop, miss?
Oh, you smell like shaving cream.
What about you, sir?
Frick up, little boy.
All right, floor number 3. Here you go. Good time, everybody. Good times. Get off as you please. Yep. See you, Dave. I'll see you soon, man. Oh, he forgot some. Well, man. Oh, I think that's his brother. He's got Dave and we got Rave.
What's up, man?
Gosh, bro, we got this Resident Evil elevator, bro. I think they forgot to put the walls on this thing. Arrow, we got arrow point to the buttons. Alright, we're on floor number 4. You have a good day, man. We're on floor number 4. Alright, yeah. Alright, we gotta, okay, now I gotta go up. Gosh, man, I think I could be a really good elevator operator. How much do these guys make a year? Floor 5. Ooh, spa cool. What's up, Jenny?
Like, I'm not doing that.
Oh, okay. Man, Deb didn't want to get on the elevator. Oh, okay, hold on. Hey, before I go to the downstairs floor, I'm gonna need to get on.
Press the button, old man.
Floor number 6. I wonder how high the floors will go. Do they got the infamous floor 13? Probably not. Floor 6. Hopefully nobody has a pound of bricks. Yo. That floor's all yours, bro. It's all yours. I'm not coming back. But she's looking at me. But she's like, get the frick off my floor right now, bro. Little evil little girl. She's a foot tall, bro. I could use my other leg. I'd kick her. Yeah. Oh! Oh. Hi. Do you want to get on the elevator? Do you need to go somewhere? I think your sister's down 1 floor. Was that come here or is that just a wave? Hey, man. You take it easy, Daisy. I'll see you soon, Daisy. Perfect. Oh, that sounds like she... Bro, who the oh my gosh, bro. Richard, you would not believe what just happened, Richard. You know Daisy? Do you know the Daisy twins? The Daisy twins? The Daisy twins just said hello to me, Richard.
Dude, it's Bob.
Oh, sorry, Bob. Oh man, I hope we don't see Jeremiah.
Bicycle.
Oh. Alright, I'll see you, bro. Why does everybody walk like they got a turd on their butt, bro? I don't like that, man. Ew, dude. Everybody's freaking around walking like this. Ugh. Get out here with that, bro. Get out here. Get out of here. I think something messed up with my headphones. I know. They just like don't sound right anymore. Floor number 10. Let's go. Double digits. Y'all remember when you guys turned 10? Somebody that turned 10 today? Yeah. 11. We're skipping 10. Mandem's going up, bro. Never going back down. 12. Oh. What's up, everybody? Oh. Okay, I think they're still working on this floor. They're still working on this floor. Everybody gotta get on. Hey! I'll be here all day. Everybody gotta get on. Alright. Guess not. That's alright. Hey. Up and go. Down. Oh, I see 2 controls. Oh, I totally just read that at the beginning. I thought, see, bro, what? Okay. Who the frick puts the button to only go up and down? It's open and closed door? Frick out, bro. What is that shadow? What is that shadow? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're not alone in this elevator. FNAF, but you're not alone in the elevator?
Wait, it's not even FNAF.
Back down to 1? Uh-oh. Basement level 2? Oh. It's like the backrooms version of floor 1. Hey! Anybody? Okay. See, I'm not gonna idle whenever it tells me to press the button. Oh my gosh, we keep going down. What do we gotta go down now? Oh, okay. Why did it say down arrow and I went up a floor? Oh, shoot. Wake up. Oh! Oh! Somebody help that guy. Somebody help that guy. Alright, let's keep going. That's behind me, bro. Is my injury that bad I can't turn around? When your boy's bored, so we start singing? -4. -5. How low will we go? Bro, stop the singing, bro. Stop the singing, bro. Bro, stop the singing, bro. She's like altering the formants in her voice, going like super, super low. Oh my gosh, we're going deep. We already... Close the door. Close the door. Close it. Close it. I know that thing's gonna turn... Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are we going up? Are we going up? Fart. Fart money, bro. Oh my gosh, we're going down to the core. Like I said before. Gosh, what is this gonna have in store? Is that person still chilling on the elevator? I got food and drink if you need it. 50! Stop! Stop now! Stop! They don't have the emergency button. Crap, bro. Man, them taking me ultra deep in it. Come on, bro! Uh-oh. Wonder what number that means. This must be an illusion. They're having a conversation down there. Is that like where the Illuminati meets up? When your boys want to have fun? We're going down beyond the questionable floor. 89? 90. Aside from the occasional scares, the job isn't even that bad. 91, what do I get paid now? Like $5 an hour? Hey bro, I'm sitting, I'm chilling. 92. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What the frick is that, bro? Let's go. Spider Marcy was like, hey, what's up? Spider Marcy wanted to get on the elevator. I can't believe nobody wants to go to the top floors, bro. That lobby has to be stacked. Hotel, but it's in reverse. Gosh. Got all the rooms going on the underground. Wonder what they got at room 100. Duke Dennis in the snack rooms. Go beyond floor 50, get a 500 score. Oh my gosh. Triple digis. Unbelievable. What's up? The factory. This is where they're all being made, bro. This one looking at me.
What's up, man? Nothing.
Hey! I know you... Bro, they got like Resident Evil aliens, bro. Go, bro, go. Wait, maybe he needs to use the elevator. Are you... Ew, it has like a face on it! Hey, where you gotta go?
How about you take me to that lobby, big boy?
Ooh. Okay. Hey, I got you, I got you.
Thanks, man.
How's life down here? I mean, dude, it's gotta be hot, bro. It's gotta be wicked hot down here. We're going up.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Why's the elevator going down? Hey,
I thought you said you needed to go up.
I know what I said, dingus.
Oh my gosh, the elevator doesn't work.
Are you serious?
What's wrong with you, man? Come on.
What's wrong with me?
Yo, we're going like a little deep, bro.
No, bro, we're not skipping past that, bro.
I like start to feel the pressure.
No. Say what you said again. Say
like going underwater.
No, don't change the subject.
Hey, you said we needed to go to room like 200?
I said the lobby. No, bro, you're gonna take me right the frick off, bro. You're gonna take me right the frick off, bro. Matter of fact, let me off right now. Matter of fact, let me off. I just can't stay another second.
Is this where you're...
Goodness, man. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, they did it... Ah, okay. I think he has a friend down here. He definitely has a friend down there. Richard meets Ross. What's up, bro? He's like getting his boy, bringing him back on the elevator. Okay, yeah, I was about to say. I say, when you gotta get your friend, put him back on the elevator. Or surely we're going up. Surely we're going up. This is horrible. This is horrible. I'm gonna hit like floor 1000. Suddenly it's gonna be like 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Big F. 626. I already know what floor they're gonna take me to now, bro. Bro. Things coming to life, it just knows I'm... Oh, I just hit my head on the back of this freaking ticking me off, bro. What floor?
Ew, who the frick is this new guy? He smells.
Alright. No, seriously, what floor?
62, please.
Okay. Wait, is that the positive or negative version? You frickin'. Hey, one person on the... Daisy! She stole my soul. Oh! My leg's good now! Nice! Nice! Frickin' peak, bro. Thanks for playing the whole entire game. No problem. You know what? That game's actually getting a wish list from me. Alrighty, yo, I mean, that's it. Well, shoot, man, that's my first, like, bro, I haven't had a recording that short in freaking forever. Alrighty, guys, well, if you did enjoy that shorter video, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. I probably will be turning that game. That game is actually pretty freaking good. If you have any other shorter horror games that would make my move a little bit easier and I don't have to, like, make, like, an hour and 50-minute long video, just let me know, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment your favorite time snip, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Howdy, fellas. Hope you're doing good today. Now if you take a look around you, as you can see, I'm in the new house. Shoot, bro. Siri, put me in the new house.
Okay.
Thank you, Siri. I know. Some of you guys were thoroughly surprised to hear that I was moving.
I don't know how on top of this series I'm going to be. As I said in the last video, I'm currently in the process of moving. I said at the end of my last Ultra Kill video, and I'll say this now, I'm gonna be moving here pretty soon. Now, but in a couple weeks here, I am gonna be moving.
Some of the comments were like, Max, did you not just move like a year and 11 months ago? And to that answer would be yes. Now, before I get too ahead of myself, before I start explaining a bunch of bullcrap, some of y'all may be like, oh, Thriftfest versus Steak a house tour. Well, I would do a house tour, but there's a very efficient way for the police to show up to your house asking you to come outside with your hands up. And that's if you show the inside of your house and somebody locates your house. And so, needless to say, I think I'm good, bro. But I can give you, I can show you guys a little bit of stuff. I can show you, come on, let's go. All right, so we got the fridge where I'm gonna be holding all my snacks. Try not to fill it up too much, you know what I mean? We got the pantry, can't fill up too much space, everybody. Gotta keep space for the important stuff, you know what I mean? Obviously, this is my room. This is gonna be Eddie's room. Oh. Seems like, Eddie, is that you? You already moved in?
Yeah.
Hey, sick, man. Yeah, you wanna get dinner in like a couple minutes?
Wait, dinner?
Yeah.
What do you want to get?
That's up to you, man.
I'm down with though. I'm in the middle of stuff right now. Give me.
Okay, no, I got, sorry, I got you. And to be honest, you guys, this is just a time in my life where this move kind of makes sense for me. I think I'm in the point in my career, and oh my gosh, do I have a story to tell you guys. Holy crap, I just remembered. So, since the inception of this YouTube channel, the first place I was in, which is like the crawl space era, I was living with my mom, and then in 2024, I moved in with my dad. There's two things in common with those places. My internet wasn't very good. No joke. I think in the first house, it was maybe a little bit better, but I was working with, you guys know how long my videos have been getting recently. I was working with about 200 download speed and 30 megabyte upload speed. Megabytes, by the way. 30 megabyte upload speed and 200 megabyte download speed. Now, living in the world we do, having internet is an absolute privilege, and I was grateful for it through and through and through. But one thing that became really, really hard is when I would make a longer video, I would legitimately sit in the YouTube upload portal where you drag in your video. For those of you who've ever uploaded a YouTube video, you basically upload a little portal, you drag in your file, and you wait for it to be uploaded. My Resident Evil videos have been taking upwards of like 9 hours to do that. I would drag it in there, and I would have to wait for about 9 hours for it to be uploaded, and then like an additional like 30 to 40 minutes for like checks to clear and for it to like process to 4K. So that time ended up like stacking up over the months and the days and the weeks. And it got really frustrating, especially when RE9 came out. I just want to get those videos out, and I was just sitting there just like tapping my knee, just like, oh, come on. But I kid you not, I'm blessed enough to be in an area now where my internet speed, the only one who holds myself accountable for the time I spend on this platform from what I do. I want to get out a lot more uploads for you guys. A couple videos back, I said, how does every 2 to 3 days sound? Don't check the amount of uploads since that, don't check the amount of uploads. Resident Evil 8 Part 2 drops. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.